What's going on, everybody? We are back in the afternoon, and guess what? AMC stock is above the yellow line. You know what that means? That means that Natalie is back into positive territory. And oh no, it says something went wrong with the chat. That is not good. Let's see if the chat is working right now. I don't know. Hopefully it loads up correctly, because if it doesn't, man, that's just going to be a big old mess with the chat there if I can't talk to anybody and nobody knows what's going on. So give me 2 seconds. Let's see if we can actually see what's going on here and get the chat on the screen, because gotta love Streamlabs, man. If it's not working, it's the best thing I've ever seen before. Alright, so Streamlabs chat is not working, but the chat is working correctly on YouTube. So let's see if we can figure that out. Let's see. Just give me a couple seconds here. Open it there. No. I don't want to do that. Refresh the chat, maybe. Let's see if that works. Looks like that might work. Okay, so we got Joe Roberts, E-Turbo, 1111 Simon, Joe Roberts, 1111 Simon, Vesteel, Joe, and Cassie in the chat right now. Hopefully it's working. I've got this bad boy pulled up here. Let's see. Okay, now it is working. Easy does it, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Easy does it. I love this stonk. I think we all love this stonk, man. Thank you very much for being in here. Thank you for the support. Easy does it. I appreciate it. Oh my gosh, again, mahalo, Kyle. Thank you very much, brother, for the super chat. What I say about the boom booms, you called it, man, and I'm glad that we are coming back, and we've still got those gains on the chart right now. And Natalie, when she gets in here, she's going to be in positive territory because we've got the beautiful yellow line on the chart. And now, look what it did. It decided to use Natalie's line as a line of support. Natalie's break even is now a line of support. That's how important AMC thinks Natalie is. 46.62. We're currently at 46.88. It is a very good. Yes, she is green. And you guys noticed. Did you notice the title of the stream today? Did anybody notice the title? I wasn't referring to AMC as she is green. I was referring to Natalie being green in the title of the stream. Natalie, we are so happy that you are green today. It is looking absolutely beautiful to have you in positive territory with all of us else that are in green, and I'm glad. We're going to stay there, too. Wonderful afternoon for you. Good afternoon. John, how you doing? Anybody else think that Kathy Wood is hot? Sergeant, you are crazy. Let's go, Melvin. Hello, Muhammad. How are you? All the way. Melvin, we are going all the way, man. I'm excited. Easy does it. Think of another super chat. Something big is coming. I can feel it. Nice. Easy does it. I love when we get, guys, when we've got the positive vibes flowing, when things are looking bright right around the corner. Those are the best times, right? They absolutely are. Whether or not something big comes, if we stay excited, something big will come. What'd you have for lunch, bro? I didn't eat too much. I just had protein and some snacks for lunch. Sure, she could get. Oh my gosh, Dank Dude 421. All right, I'm glad you and Sergeant Baloney agree with each other. What's going on, Clay, bro? Going to AMC theaters to watch Candyman $6 Tuesday special. Very nice, DSA Sports. I like it. Go grab some tacos after Taco Tuesday. I'm glad you're glad, Clay. Elizabeth, I'm glad that you're glad that I'm glad, and I'm glad you're glad too. So we're all glad. Dope Spider-Man mug. Thank you very much, Ryan. I appreciate that. Let's go 60 apes. Let's do it, John. I really hope this thing's pop soon. Hurricane Ida just broke all our stuff. Christopher, yeah, Hurricane Ida definitely messed with a lot of people. My BBAG calls is hitting right now. Kyle, yes, man. Very nice. When did you get those calls, dude? Because if you got them yesterday, that's a risky play. But if you got them today, you might have been doing good getting in on the bounce. I want to know when you got them. So, just an FYI, the president is coming on any moment to address the nation on the end of the war. Peeps might be coming in late if they're coming in watching. Good deal, Natalie. Thank you very much for letting me know about that. Because I did not know that he was going to be doing that today. $47 is the new battle. John Choi, yeah, and beyond 47, man, I'm going to be honest. We got battles at $48 again, too. 3 accounts working for me, 2 are green, 1 is still in the red, but that's going to change. Jagger Ruby, very nice. Bastille, thank you for the super chat, Bastille. Singapore dollars? Bastille, I did not know that you lived in Singapore. Since when, man? Since when? Let me know. I didn't know you were in Singapore. Clay, sending my first super chat as a thank you for answering my questions and because you look good. Bastille, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate it. Absolutely. And Did I know? Did I just forget that you were in Singapore, or what was up with that? I didn't know that you were from Singapore. That's awesome. Easy does it. Thank you for the super chat. Bro, all those shill talking crap when we were down at 29, where they at now, once I saw it hit 72 in June, I knew this play would be special. Patience is key. Sorry, it took me forever to read that. Dude, I'll tell you, man. Shills, they disappear faster than they come out of the woodwork. They do. They disappear just as fast. They talk a lot of crap when the stock is red. When the stock is green, they go hide. And then they'll come back out again when the stock is red. And then it goes green, and then they'll go hide. They, I don't know, man. They don't have very much confidence. Ortex update. Yes, thank you. Got him today at 690. Very nice, Kyle, man. That is awesome. Hopefully you make a killing on those. Ortex update. Estimated short interest change, negative 2.55%. Return shares, 3.43 million. Borrowed shares, 674,000. Borrowed change, down 2.75 million. Estimated current short interest free float, 16.85%. Estimated current short interest, 86.18 million shares. Thank you very much, Nick, for the Ortex update. We do know that everybody enjoys a good Ortex update. Yes, I'm Singaporean. Vesteel. I didn't know that. That's awesome. Hold 47. We can do it. Melvin, dang. What did Melvin say, man? I don't even know what Melvin said. I just sold my Tesla for 60,000 going at AMC. Oh, very nice, Melvin. Very nice. Shills, Jim Cramer is on live TV. Oh, yeah, Jim Cramer's on live TV, not the Shills. The only war I care about is the War of Apes versus the Hedgies, and that is the one we will win. Mucho love, Claybro, from the BD farm. The BD fam. Oh, the BD fam. I was like... From the BD farm. What is that? Sounds like a good farm. Mucho love to you too, Edward. Mucho love to you. BBIG is up and running now. Let's go. What is BBIG at right now? I don't even know. I think it was at $7 earlier, but I don't know what it's at. Melvin sold his Tesla to buy AMC. That is called some serious commitment. Yes, if you're selling AMC to buy some... No, if you're selling a Tesla to buy some AMC, that is some serious commitment, especially when it's in the $60,000 range. Very nice, Melvin. Let's see. Oh my gosh, Sergeant, you're crazy, man. At least you're doing your part, right? At least you're doing your part. You can be an auctioneer on the weekends. Ronald, I don't know if I could. There's a couple auctioneer places around here, and I've never applied. I don't know if they'd let me go. You can be, okay, so that Bulldog Trading coming in hot. All right, Bulldog Trading, shout. Okay, good. Now I know what the BD fam is. Bulldog Trading fam. I like it. I'm like, BD Farm, Bulldog, BD Farm. The BD Farm is the Bulldog Farm. And if you're from BD Farm, good deal. Do you think Hood is a buy? No. I would, listen, man, that can get pretty dangerous. If you're thinking about buying Robinhood, make sure to see how that stuff plays out with the payment for order flow first. Because you don't want to buy something and then they lose, I don't know, like 90% of their revenue. Heck yeah, the Tesla Ape Nation. Oh yes, we're going Ape Nation on this one. I'm heavy in BBIG, putting profits into AMC after. Very nice, McSlipple. I like it. Hopefully it hits. I hate to say it, but sell your pogs. Buy back in lower after the AMC squeeze. Whew, man. And Brett, that is hard for Brett to say because Brett is definitely on it with the pogs, man. We heading for 50. Let's do it. We got a bus 47, then we got a bus 48, then we're on for 50. Look into a BGFV, man. Not miss out, guys. 71% short interest following the same pattern as SPRT. Not financial advice. I just want to see y'all win. G Gazambly. Very good. Can't sell the slammers. You got to keep the regular pogs. Don't sell the slammers. Keep those, JB. Keep some of it in there, right? Hey, bros. Nick F. What's going on, Nick F? Oh, no. We're going to retest Natalie's level of support here. Hold on. Let's go back. Natalie, level of support, 46.62. We're coming in with a hot red candle right now. Are we going to touch it? And is she going to bounce red and green all day long today? I hope not. I hope we bounce right off this and we go even further because we got a baby level of resistance here at the $47 range. So we're going to keep that really hard to see on the chart. And we're going to watch for Natalie. Sell your pogs and gloops for AMC. I don't even know what a gloop is, man. What are pogs and gloops? Elizabeth, I don't even know if gloop is a real thing. Pog, they're those little round things that you used to play with when you were a kid. Actually, Elizabeth, I forget how old you are, so you may not have played with them. There was little round things that had like stickers on them that they were really cool, different designs. Pog, the slammers were like the plastic ones. The other ones, I swear, they were like made out of cardboard. 50. Boom! Let's get it, Marcus. Just got an alert. Yeah, I paid 15 more shares to the treasury chest. Carl Brewer. Very nice. Adding 15 shares today. What's up, Clay, mate? Swedish Ape in the house. Mangy Manji Mangi Magnus. How you doing? Glad to have you in here. Big green candle coming in. Caesar's calling it right now because Natalie is back in the red. Sorry, Natalie. No, let's get it. Come on, support. Vast Steel. Yes, we're going to hit the support and we're going to rip higher. Oh, thank you. You are welcome, Elizabeth, but I don't know what a gloop is. I think that's like fake news. Metal Slammers all the way. Dude, Metal Slammers, if you had a Metal Slammer, you're the man. Plastic Slammers, I don't even know if I had any Metal Slammers. Plastic Slammers, though, had those. Nice to see some Swedes in here. Marcus, there's actually, if I was going to look at my stats, I believe you guys are, if you're from Sweden, you guys are like 0.8% of the entire channel, which is kind of crazy to think that there are 0.8% of my entire channel is from Sweden. The vast majority from the United States, clearly. Second comes Canada. Third, United Kingdom. And I think like Germany or somewhere was fourth and Sweden was fifth. So congratulations to you guys, man. You're killing it over there in Sweden. Hit the like button. Make sure to share the channel too. Apparently the Swedish people like this channel. Shout out from my Maymar? Maymar? What now? Shout out from Maymar? Okay. Is gloop slang for it might be McSlipple? I don't even know. Wow, what's up, Jennifer? How you doing? How you doing, Jennifer? Hopefully you're having a good afternoon. Poison Pog. No, don't do that. British here, but in the U.S. Nikki 89. We do have a lot of people from the U.K. as well, but only Texas matters though. Only Texas matters. We do have a lot of Texans in the chat as well. It goes California, Texas, Florida, New York, if you want the top 4 states. I don't know what number 5 is. I'm here, brother. Javier, so glad that you are in here. I want to visit Sweden. Elizabeth, make some friends with some people from Sweden in here because we got a lot of them. They can tell you some good places to go. I'm in Greece. Kelly, are you really in Greece? I've been to Athens before. It was nice. Also, Santorini. Nice. Sweden is probably number 5. The number 5 state. Yeah, it could be the number 5 state. This chat is all positive apes. No shills in here ever. We get the best chat on YouTube. Shout out from my toilet bowl antics, the legend. That is the weirdest place you could possibly be. Not that they can be trusted, but have you noticed a change in the media coverage more positive than usual? Terrence, I haven't noticed a huge shift, but listen, I think that the media has one goal, and that is to get as many views as possible. Dude, they will flip a story upside down and spank it just to get some views out there. It doesn't matter if it's correct. They will do whatever they can to get people to click and to get people to watch and so on. So maybe they're feeling like, well, nobody was watching our stuff right now because all we ever did was bash AMC. So they might be trying to switch it up a little bit. Pull the rug out from under you, don't worry. Belgium might have been ranked if it weren't a hoax. Yes, Brett, that is also true. Belgium may have ranked on the top country viewership, but it's a hoax, man. They can't. Just shared your channel on Facebook. Ronald Nanny, thank you very much for sharing it on Facebook. And oh no, come on, Natalie, what are you doing with your support line there? You're supposed to be harder than this. You're supposed to hold up. Now we got like 6 red lines in a row right here, blowing back down into the red for you. I don't like it. I'm retiring, moving to Portugal one day, hopefully. Do you speak Portuguese, Elizabeth? If you're retiring to Portugal, do you speak Portuguese? That is what we need to know. How many shares are left? All of them. Shares are always left, guys. The shares are always left. It just depends on what the price is, whether or not people are willing to sell. Interesting, Bruvely. That I bet your dad would not like that. Been to Athens too. Texas will go to Greece after the squeeze. Very nice, Archives. Got to make it to Athens, Greece post squeeze. I don't know. Don't go in the winter. There's nothing going on in the winter over there. Unless you really don't like any tourists whatsoever, then I would recommend going in the winter. Love you. I love your post squeeze emphasis. It makes it all very real. Jeffrey, good deal, man. Good deal. Make sure to visit Porto, a great city. Sports Cars, Portugal. Are you from Portugal? Sports Cars, Portugal? Or is it just Portugal in your name? That I want to know. Clay, I'm going to need you to throw out Uno Reverse, my dude. I got you. I got you on the Uno Reverse. It gets a little crazy when you got to pull the Uno Reverse, but we can make it happen, man. we got to go dark purple, big, and then we have to go trend line, start with also big, but that is light yellow. That's the Uno reverse card right there. I got you, Sam. No worries, my man. I made a very handsome mistake with this stock in the past. Never again. Monkey C. Very good. No, but I love seafood and Portuguese wine. Well, Elizabeth, there you go. You got everything you'll ever need. Ooh, NT. It's like in Pokemon, man, when you got that critical hit. It's a critical hit. A critical hit. Thank you very much, NT. A critical hit. Don't you just love it when you hit, I don't know, like a Pikachu with a Golem, and then he just got a critical hit, or you smashed him with an Onyx? Pikachu couldn't do nothing to an Onyx, could he? Absolutely not. So critical hit! Thank you very much, NT, for the super sticker. I appreciate all of the support, guys. You're absolutely amazing. And I like the critical hits, too. Those were the best kinds. Alright, so let's see. Just for... Oh, come on, Sam. Did I play the wrong color or something? What's going on here? I don't know why this Uno reverse card isn't playing. Deep purple. Oh, was it deep purple? Was that the problem? We gotta go... We gotta change the purple color. That's about as deep purple as it gets, man. It's about as deep purple as it gets. 50 end of week. J-Man, let's do it. My main thing in my mind that's like Pokemon is there's no PP left for that move. Living your best life, Sam. You're living your best. That's all I gotta say. You're living your best life, Sam. Very good, man. Hopefully we rebound at 46 and finish above 46.50. We retest 40. No, we need to finish above 46.62. I want Natalie to be green on the day. Another AMC live stream, comments filled with which stock would you buy instead of AMC? Desperation time. It happens, man. It happens. I spent the break in like 6 different live streams this afternoon. And it seems like nobody wants to just talk about AMC anymore. Everybody wants to talk about everything else, and I don't know why. We can if you want, but we probably won't. Your yellows are too... Oh, Mag Talk, is that what it is? The yellows are too similar? Shoot, I knew it was something. Seems to be working, though. Yellows are too similar. What if we go... Oh, I like this one. I like that one. Those are similar there. Uno reverse. Let's go. This one's for Sam. People taking small profits. I assume they should not do that, but you are correct. Power Hour is overrated. Hello there. Power Hour might be overrated, but it is fun, isn't it? Jennifer says true. What, living your best life? Hey, Clay, where are you in the USA? Munch Magnus, Magany. I'm from Ohio. Where are you in Sweden? Hey, bro, what did you order when you go to Chick-fil-A? I don't often go to Chick-fil-A, but if I do, I just get a crispy chicken sandwich. You don't own them. I do. Oh, if you don't mind, could you take a minute to talk about put options? I know you're betting for the stock to go down and have the right to sell 100 shares, but how do you sell shares if you don't own them? So, okay, so you would be doing... So if you're going to put those shares to somebody else, you would either have to have a margin account if you didn't have the shares in your account. Otherwise, you would be selling naked puts like you would be selling naked calls and so on. So if you were to go buy a put option, and if you don't have the shares available, you got to do it. You got to have margin in your account available in order to do that if you don't own the underlying stock. So it's the same way as if you were going to buy or sell call options. Like if you were going to sell naked calls, you don't own the shares. If you're selling covered calls, you already own those shares. And you have to have the margin available if you're going to go out and sell naked calls. It'd be the same thing with puts. You got to have the money available as if you did own those shares, essentially. Only AMC, everything else is a distraction. Tactics, this will pay off. Kelly, this will pay off. Clay, for the love of God, never get a voice changer. Oh, man. Were you hanging out with Matt earlier? Because I know he was using it. Dude, the best voice changer I could do is when I'm doing Natalie's voice. And it's like, oh my gosh, I'm green on the day. I'm so happy. That's my Natalie voice. I just wish that Clay would ask me to go to the main event and play skee ball with him a little bit later. I don't know why he hasn't gotten down to it yet. Maybe his weekends are busy. And then Lauren's voice would be more like something like, "Oh, cheerio, mate. Cheerio, mate. I'm over here eating cabbage and apples. These are so good." That's the best voice changer I can do, man. It's probably not good, so I'm not gonna continue on with that. But that's the best I got. I know it's not gonna be good. Voice changer's too cringe. It is. Imagine like that voice changer is less cringe than my actual voice changing though. Has anyone has Lux Algo? Is it any good? I do not, Nikki. So natural. I know, PDX was very natural, wasn't it? Lauren is crikey a lot. Yeah, Lauren does say crikey a lot. Crikey, this is the best cabbage and apples I've ever had. I wish Claybro would come over and eat some with me. It's tea time, isn't it? That's probably crikey. It's tea time. I forgot to cook. That's like my impression of both of those. You're making Ronald. No, I am not, Ronald. No, I am not. I'm scared of getting money. I'm gonna change me. I'm gonna be a snob and live indoors. It's all right, man. You're allowed to live indoors. You're gonna make a heck of a grandma when you read storybooks to the kiddos. I know it, dude. I know. I'm gonna make a heck of a grandma. I'm gonna get to it though. Clay, day traders killing the stocks momentum once again. Hey, day traders love to kill momentum, don't they? That's what day traders are known for. Killing momentum. They see a level of resistance, and what do? Oh my gosh, Becky, look at this resistance. And then they sell. That's exactly what day traders do. You see this resistance? Look, you see this resistance right here? What do you think? Okay, let's just hold right through it. They're going to offer me a higher price. Day trader sees this resistance, and he's like, oh no. I can't go past that resistance, and then they sell and it goes back down. So yeah, man, day traders are very bad in that aspect. They definitely kill momentum. AQST is the only side I played AMC for the. There you go, a Trey Subway Cup. Love an AQST. Okay, oi, look at that crocodile. Oi, look at that crocodile. Yeah, that's exactly how Lauren sounds. I know it is. Lauren, are you in here? You can yell at me if you are. Practicing my rich man's laugh in my free time. McSlipple. Is it getting better? Sounds like the Wizard of Oz Dorothy voice, Nikki89. It might be. Maybe I was the one who did that voiceover. Hey, Clay, can you say a while back low volume is better for the squeeze? Matt said today high volume is better. What do you think? I would think low volume. Dude, low volume is better all day long. Low volume is better all day long for the squeeze. I mean, if you guys need to know why, just ask why. But low volume is better all day long for the squeeze. It's true, hedge funds need to cough up the money. Yes, hedge funds always need to cough up the money. Clay, my wife and I watched Congo last night. I wanted to go with something ape-themed. Think that will help the squeeze? I'm asking for a friend. Absolutely. The more ape themes that you can get going on in your life, the better the squeeze will be. The sooner it's going to happen, and the heavier it's going to hit. So any ape themes you guys got going on, it's going to be better. You got your kids' 1-year birthday party coming up, jungle theme. You got your, I don't know, vacation to plan, safari. You need something to watch, Jungle Cruise. Like, I don't know, Tarzan. Think about something ape-related, and it's going to happen. Hit the like button, guys. Natalie, thank you very much. Do your rich man's laugh, Clay. I don't have one, man. I haven't practiced my rich man's laugh yet. I'll get there one day, though. McSlipple, I'm slightly behind you, but I'll get there. The best rich man's laugh I got is Dr. Evil, and I don't know if you guys want to hear that one. M. James retracted messages. M. James, I saw you earlier in that, I don't know if the dude's from Scotland or where he's from, but that European dude, I was over there, I was watching him, and I saw you. It is very weird to see M. James 007's name in gray. I'm telling you that right now. Everywhere I go, this dude's got a blue name, and I see him with a gray name, and I'm like, something's fishy about this. It just doesn't seem right. So, yeah, M. James, I saw you over there, man. You need to get a blue name wherever you go. Otherwise, you can't hang out there because it just doesn't make any sense. It's way too... Oh, my gosh. This is like unpower hour here. Unpower hour. No, we come back and it goes down. When you see an AMC to skyrocket, it's Bilal. I'm seeing AMC to skyrocket at some point in the future. Jamie Curran, a trade spotting. Yes, that would be the one. You need a blue name over there, M. James. I'm telling you, man. Possible catalyst for the squeeze. Low volume, high price, external regulation could be the 3 catalysts that I see. The non-blue names are sus, huh? Yeah, especially when it's M. James. All colored names matter. They do. The gray ones, you gotta wonder about the gray guys sometimes. I saw him with a gray name and thought it was an imposter. Exactly, Doc Airline. It's like, what is this guy doing? Is this some fake M. James? Like, should we report this account? Or what's happening here? I feel like we should report this account because he's blue everywhere I go. Is this gonna be the game from now on? This is really frustrating. Yes, this is gonna be the game from now on. The game from now on is to hold. That is exactly what the game is. If you are unable to hold, I don't know what to tell you. I was told I was 10 years old when I found out that TMI under the mask is a black guy. The things you learn on Twitter, dude, especially because the lighting in his room is so dark. It's like, why does he even wear a mask? He should just be the silhouette guy, and all you can see is like a shadow. He should be the shadow investor, TSI. The shadow investor. Hey, if somebody doesn't want to show their face on YouTube and you want to do investing content, the shadow investor. All you got to do is like, I don't know, turn out the lights and put a light on behind you. Would that make you a silhouette? Ortex update. We will squeeze. Yes. Nick, the more we pump the Ortex updates, the quicker we are going to squeeze for sure. Short ladder attacks. TMI is black. I mean, I guess you could ask him, but that's the word on the street. I've had a fake M. James here and in Trey's chat asking what happened to their wrench. Crazy, man. The one in here was probably crypto, but crazy. People want to be M. James because they love that blue name, don't they? His intro is cool, though. Yeah, listen, I like his intro, but I think that will he ever be unmasked? Somebody was asking him that in the chat today, and he didn't answer. They're like, if AMC hits 100, or no, if your channel hits 100,000 subs, or 500,000 subs, or 1,000,000 subs, are you gonna unmask? And he didn't answer. I want to know if he will unmask at some point, but I don't know. I'm Japanese. Very good. I'm American. Thank you, Japanese, for being in here. Arigato. Konnichiwa. Ohio. That's all my Japanese. That's all I got. Shishi. No, that's all I got now. That's all I got. I'm trying to think. Pretty sure. Click. Get a sweet intro, man. J-Man, my intro is sweet. Come on. Close before the squeeze. We can suspect a high volume, I guess. When it starts, the volume goes low. Well, dude. If we got high volume going into the squeeze, I highly doubt that people stop trading during the squeeze. I think it's going to get even higher during the squeeze. I'm human. Me as well. Clay, can you try out a wrench impression of his intro? No, because I'm going to be honest, man. I can't do it. I haven't watched enough of his videos to be able to impersonate his intro. I spent 6 months in deployment in Japan, and you know just as much as I do. That's what I'm talking about, Sam. Thank you for your service, sir. You can be Ryan Reynolds and wear a Deadpool mask. I would love to be Ryan Reynolds with a Deadpool mask. When Clay's intro starts, I feel like I'm watching a do-it-yourself video. As you should, man. As you should. M. James, ripping on my intro, man. What are you talking about? Clay, you smart ape. So, Q, what after the squeeze? Will we miss you if nothing new? What? Manji. Clay, you smart ape. Question. What after the squeeze will we miss you if nothing new? Magnus, man, I don't know if you're asking what's going to happen after the squeeze. I'm not going anywhere after the squeeze, if that's what you're asking, but I don't know what the play post-squeeze is going to be. We are certainly going to reinvest what we've earned during the squeeze, post-squeeze. But if you're asking for a single play, that I do not know at this point. Hey everybody, welcome to Wrench Capital. It's the beginning of the month, so it's the best time to sign up for our scalp alerts. If that's Wrench Capital's intro, that would be the best time to sign up for those scalp alerts, man, because it's the beginning of the month, and you know, everybody investing these days has to wait for their beginning of the month check to hit. And okay, this pattern is getting mighty repetitive. It starts off strong. Few sharp dips, ending with a harsh dip to end of the day. King of the fall. I don't know if that's the same pattern we keep seeing over and over again, but hopefully we get a rip into the close, and Natalie closes green today. That is the only thing we've got. Woo, woo, Jennifer. Oh, yeah. I mean, if you think about it, hits blunt, Clay. If you think about it, hits blunt. Clay teaches us how to invest, which we do on our phones or our home or at home on the computer. So isn't Clay's channel a DIY channel? Dude, Sam's always bringing things full circle. I love it. I'd like to see you on next stock, mate. Oh, Magnus, we're definitely going to be on the next stock, mate. I just don't know where it's going to, I don't know what the next stock is going to be or what the next move is going to be or where we go from here. We'll figure that out, but we will definitely be reinvesting the gains. Clay, why can't we break out of 47? Joan de Jesus, man. Because all of these people that are out there day trading AMC, see how strong this level is right here? And they're like, no. 47? No. 47.20? No. We can't trade 47.40, 47.40? No. 47 is all I can do. And then they sell at 47 and it goes down, man. So that's how we can't break through 47 at the moment. Good evening, 10:30 p.m. here. Keith, wow, 10:30, 7 hours ahead. Crikey, mate. Where are you? 10:30 p.m. 10:30 p.m. You are in either Western Europe. You're in the Ukraine. Where are you? You're in Western Europe somewhere. Western Europe. Am I correct, Keith? What's going on? I need to know. 10:30 p.m. man, that's crazy. Sambo, you sound like huffing helium and next to wrench, but I sound like I've been huffing helium next to. Well, you may have. Hey, everybody, welcome back to the Wrench Capital. We're going to take a look at the ticker symbol AMC on the daily, weekly, and monthly time frame in anticipation of tomorrow, trading day, September 1st. In a deep voice, though, Clay, bro. Okay, gotcha. Hey, everybody, welcome back to the Wrench Capital. We're going to take a look at the ticker symbol AMC on the daily, weekly, and monthly time frame in anticipation of tomorrow, trading day, September 1st. How was that? Was that good? I don't know. I'll hit it again if it wasn't good. TMI want to hide his identity so relatives don't ask for money after the squeeze. Dude, that was probably a good setup on his part. Middle East, Bahrain. Gotcha, Keith. I was wondering if it was Western Europe or what. Very nice. Well, I'm going to accept the fact that you don't know since my question hasn't been answered. 721. Yeah, accept the fact that I don't know, man. I didn't see your question. Playmates toys after the squeeze. Oh my gosh, after the squeeze, my worst stock ever. Can't sell them without losing money. Oh man. Tom. Dang, dude. Hey, bro, I'm back again, Honey Ape. You can start the stream. After hours, gonna go nuts. Yes, it is, Odin. Glad to have you in here. You crane, he crane, she crane, we crane. We all crane. Somebody clip that. M. James, was it good, man? I don't even know if it was good or not. Listen, I don't know. Day traders need to hold. Payoff for a hold would be much higher. Yes, it would, dude. Yes, it would. But they, for some reason, do not understand that. They just want to sell as soon as you get to resistance. Odin, I know you're back. I'm glad you're back. After hours is going to go nuts. 9:30 in Germany. Gabriel, it is 9:30 in Germany. It is 3:30 in Ohio. Come on, let's get to touch that thin red line, baby. Let's go. We need to get to this red. No, it's orange. We need to break through that orange. We need to go above the yellow line. Above the yellow line is all I want to see today. My question was, is it true that the Volkswagen squeeze topped 60,000 and held it there for 4 days? No, the Volkswagen squeeze never went past $60,000 per share. So I don't know who told you that Volkswagen was above $60,000 per share. Volkswagen was probably above 60,000 yen. Volkswagen would have been above 60,000 yen per share for a couple days maybe. $60,000 per share, 60,000 euro per share. No, 60,000 Japanese yen. Yes. Do you have Instagram? I do! Claybro883 if you want to follow me anywhere. Denwo is awesome too. Day traders, more like... Never mind. Yeah, never mind those day traders. Come on. Denwo is long on Sundial. I also have Sundial in my portfolio. I'm from Planet of the Apes. 10 to 11 shares. Very good. Apes don't buy BBIG or SPRT. They hope the hedgies, AQST, and AMC have the same enemies. Lamar loves you. And we need to make sure that we take it to our enemies, right? And we give it to them. We need to make sure that we give it to our enemies. Very rough. $1 million is no longer impressive because of inflation. Dude, $1 million is still impressive. Come on. If any of you guys here would be unhappy with $1 million, 1,200 euros was Volkswagen. Yeah, so if you multiply that by probably, what, I don't know, 150 yen, you're going to get 150,000 yen. Clay, how about a ginormous $100 1-minute candle? M. James, I will personally deliver you a blue wrench shirt if we hit a $100 1-minute candle anytime throughout the rest of the day. I will hand deliver it to you. I promise you that. So I am 100% on board with that because I want to hand deliver you a blue red shirt, and 2, I want to see a 1 minute $100 candle. Follow you on Instagram, Manji. Thank you very much, Mangi Magni Magnus Magni. Sorry, I'm messing your name up all the time. Matt playing Biden games. Bye, Felicia. Come to the real chat. Thank you very much, Mad Medic. I appreciate that. All this given into the enemy talk. I thought we were already in the after hours chat. We are so close. Not giving in. Okay, giving it. Dude, I thought you were giving in to the enemy. Well, giving it to the enemy, man. After hours chat coming soon. I day trade a bit here and there. Sergeant Baloney, you are allowed. Just don't day trade AMC. Come on now. 5 BMW cars will be worth $1 million. 5 BMW cars will be worth $1 million. 5 BMW what? i8s that are souped up? Or what do you got there? Impossible, Clay. It would halt before the minute is up. It's not impossible, dude. Not impossible because we could gap up after that halt, and then that right there would be a nice 1 minute candle. $100. Okay, let's see if we had. How can we get this? I think we could get a 100-minute candle before the end of the day if we rose steadily. Cassie, welcome to the little bro. Thank you very much, Cassie, for grabbing that green name. 247 in the chat right now. Welcome, Cassie's. We need to see it, and we also need to figure out M. James's math. It would not be impossible to see a $100 1 minute candle based on the previous 5 minute average rising 10%. If we were able to rise, we'd have to rise all the way up. Oh man. Dude, we would have to get some sick rises. So we could do it though. We could halt. Dude, it's easier than you think, man. All we gotta do, squeeze has to be on. They call margin right now. They got their margin calls at 3:36 p.m. Eastern time. Okay? Stock gets halted because it jumps up to, I don't know, $100 or whatever. We jump up, we halt. We break the halt, we jump up to 1,000. We halt again. All of a sudden, we're trading at $1,000. Boom, there's your 1 minute, 1 candle. And all we had to do was go through 2 halts to get there. And beautiful. M. James, it can happen, dude. It can happen. Not impossible. All right. By end of day. It's still not impossible by end of day, man. We could get margin calls this afternoon. We can halt twice. During the halt, we gap up to 1,000. And when we're at 1,000, we got the 1 minute 100 bar candle. And actually, we only need to get to 500 because from 3:30 to 4 o'clock, it's a 20% band from 3:30 to 4 o'clock. So we're good, dude. We're good. We get the margin calls. We jump to a 500. We halt, and then we're trading at 500, and you get your 20% $100 1 minute candle right there. It's possible, M. James. I'm rooting for you, buddy. I'm rooting for you. I need a new purple trend line. Up, up, up. We do need a new purple trend line. Let's get it, Clay. It is good. Clay, is it a good idea to buy Felipe watches as an investment with squeeze money? I'm not a huge watch dude, man. I don't know. I really don't know how good watches hold their investments. I'm not a watch guy. So I wouldn't know. M. James takes me as a... Oh, yes. Coming in for Natalie right here. Oh, my golly. Oh, yes. Coming in for Natalie. We're coming for you, Natalie. You're closing green today. Natalie. I'm coming for you. Okay? I'm coming for you, Natalie. Right now. I also took TMI's invites, Claybro, one time, and cameoed on a stream in place of Clay. It was gold. Well, there you go, M. James. You can do it, man. If anybody in here can do it, I know you can. How long do you think one of all short squeezes will last? I think it's going to be quick, Don. Honestly, I think once it starts, I think it's going to be quick. Joseph, according to what I looked up, it was 48.72, and last year Volkswagen's been at the all-time high in 52 weeks. According to what I just looked up, it was 48.72, and the last year that Volkswagen's been that's the all-time high in 52 weeks. No, so Volkswagen short squeezed back in 2008. So I don't know what you were looking at there, but Volkswagen was trading well above, and I don't know if you're looking at Volkswagen, like where you're looking at it, but if you look at Volkswagen trading in Europe, on the DAX, you can see that it jumped above 100 euro, 1,000 euro per share. It was trading roughly, it was trading around like 400 euro, dipped down to like 200 euro, and then jumped above 1,000 euro. Rephrase that. Why, Ronald? Why? I mean, you know I was kind of referring to the stock price, right? Like I said, 47 by the end of the day. Hey, Rod, let's get it. Oh, no! Webcams in the chat. You're going to get blocked. I'm telling you. We're going to hit 47, hit and close above 47, Clay. I know, Matthew McConaughey. We're going to get it, man. We're going to get it. I'm on it. Oh, webcams got blocked again. Webcams, are you a real person? Just type hello or something if you're a real person. Like, I don't understand why you do that. If you're a real person and you want somebody to go visit your webcam, like, okay, I get it. Just maybe say it once. You know? Don't spam it. WTF. WTF, Jennifer. Nobody knows what's happening. Webcam chats are the best. Dusty likes it. Lisa, good afternoon, Lisa. How are you doing? He, a menace. Mark, he is a menace, isn't he? Webcam chats, dude's a menace. We are coming right now. 46.62 is where we're going to close. Above that line, Clay, I have a feeling we'll go to 47 soon. 12, I sure hope we do. Clay, you are undersubbed. I'm on a mission to fix that. Monkey C. Mission accepted, man. Let me know when mission is complete. Please. I can unlock the webcam thing if you are interested, Clay. No, I'm not interested in the webcam thing, but I want to know if it's a real person. Aloha from Hawaii. Aloha Kakiaka. Shayna, how are you? Hoska, mahalo for being here. Thank you. Will the mother of short squeezes last hours or days? Neil, I think it's going to last much longer than hours. I don't think it's going to only last hours. Webcam chat, stay out, dude. Come on. At least don't spam. Stupid webcam robot. Ugh, I've seen it in another live stream, and no matter how many blocks, it comes in again on a new account. Oh, webcam, I'm telling you, if you just keep it real, you can hang out with us. Like, I don't mind, but just don't spam. Don't spam the chat. You can hang out here all you want. And then if you want webcam chat, boys and girls, to be sponsored or whatever, you know, hit me up. We're looking for sponsors here. Aloha from Arizona. Shayna, aloha. Everybody's from Hawaii. Aloha, kakahiaka, mahalo hao, brother. Hopefully you guys are having good days. BBIG or GFYM. AMC. Clay, have you been to the Philippines? Jonah Jesus, I have never been to the Philippines. Should I go? Clay, I'm willing to bet you $1 trillion that before we hit 50, we will hit 47 and 48 and even, you guessed it, 49. Oh, man. Here's the only problem with that, man. Here's the only problem, Sam Blow. What are the odds? What are the odds on that? Because I might take it, because we may gap. We may gap up $3. And we may miss 47, 48, and 50, and 49. Give me some odds on that one, Sam. I might take it. Congrats on hitting 30.6, 6,000 subs, Clay, bro. Thank you very much, Lisa. I appreciate that. Matt has 19,000, but we have 268 worth of awesomeness. Bastille, absolutely, man. I would bet these 267 against Matt's 50,000 any day. Aloha from Chicago. Aloha from Ohio. Who's not a real ape? I can check. Got a nice dark pool program. Manji, thank you, man. Check and see who the non-real ape is. Aloha, Matthew. What? Tarantado. What now? Fast forward to 2025. This chat is full of P-stars and webcam drag queens, all making bank in stocks. Yes, it's true. Because we allowed hot webcam boys and girls to hang out with us, and they learned something about the stock market, and now they're all filthy and rich. Filthy and rich. Clay bro, do I know you? You seem very familiar. Sloth investor. I don't know. I mean, you may know me. People, I do know people in real life. Not many, but I do know some. Matt is boring. Why so many watchers? The vast majority of people out there are boring. You think it's going to hit 1,000 easy? Easy? No, but definitely possible. Someday you'll have that beautiful silver play button on the wall behind you, Cassie. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. One day, I surely hope so. Clay bro. So if Warren Buffett company Berkshire Hathaway is trading now at 430,000 per share, why wouldn't AMC reach such heights? Good question. Warren Buffett's company Berkshire Hathaway is actually worth $460,000 per share. $460,000 per share times the 600,000 market or shares outstanding it's got, then you get its market cap. It is actually worth that amount. So if you are going to ask that question, that would be my answer. If AMC is clearly not worth $460,000 a share, clearly not worth that. People are willing to pay what it's worth. Now, the difference for AMC is that the short shares have to buy it back. The hedge funds have to buy their short shares back no matter what the price is. So that's why it could go to something like that, but it is not a comparison that you should be doing because AMC is not worth that amount of money, but Berkshire Hathaway definitely is. It only goes back 5 years that I can see. 48.72. Joseph, gotcha. If you go back to 2008, you'd be able to see it, man. Maybe you could Google it somewhere. 1,000 is chump change. I'm thinking at least 800,000 roughly definitely hangs out on Reddit. Webcam chat is the herpes of AMC live streams. Oh, no. But technically, I'm on a webcam right now chatting with you guys. So, like, don't rip too hard on webcam chatters because technically I'm on a webcam chatting with you guys right now. And, yes. Cancel Netflix for AMC streaming. I keep my Netflix, man. T-Mobile pays for it. I see what you did there, Clay. 925 reviews. I don't even know what I did there. Let me know. Let's do a raid on webcam chat. Yes, do a raid on webcam's chat for sure. You guys are gonna like it. Throw chipmunks in the chat. Let them know we're here and tell them all to come over and subscribe to Clay Bro's YouTube channel. Hey man, I support it. I support it. Shout out to webcam chats, hot boys and girls on live or whatever, and go do a raid on webcam's chat. Throw the chipmunks in the chat and tell them to subscribe to Clay Bro's YouTube channel and let me know how it goes. I don't know if they might charge you to watch though. I'm not sure how that raid works. This user is Kenny G loser 99%. No, we don't need any Kenny G losers in the chat. Hey, unless AMC takes over streaming as well. Bro, sloth investor. Might be true though. I don't know that many people in real life, but you may know me. What up, what up, what up? Redline Sean, what up? What up, Pops? I'm going to buy Ape Island in the South Pacific, and we are partying. Monkey C, I will party with you on Ape Island. People act like AMC should be on Amazon numbers. Well, should be or could be? It should not. I mean, AMC should be on, like, sundial numbers. However, AMC could definitely be on Amazon numbers. Clay bro, will you drink your lava lamp if AMC hits 1,000? No, but I would take a sip of the lava lamp if it guaranteed AMC went to $1,000 right now. Like, I would be on for that. AMZ to Pluto. Nufo, what's going on, Nufo? Any will explode like SPRT, any 101% short interest. Where does everybody look up these short interest numbers, man? Because you guys got the numbers on everything. And I don't know if it's got 101% short interest out there or not. Clay, were you one of those bought AMC when you were drunk? No, positive felonious. I did not do that. I've never been drunk in my life. Clay, if I become a millionaire, I am flying you down to Hawaii and we are partying, brother. Dude, I will go to Hawaii. I've always wanted to go to Hawaii. So, Matthew McConaughey, I would do that. How you feel about BBIG? I don't know, man. Risky. I feel risky. I don't feel like AMC is risky, okay? I feel like BBIG is a day trade play at best, and I believe that it's risky. So if you want to know how I feel about it, that's actually how I feel about it. Let's see here. Clay will be coming in. Okay, saw that. Shorts must cover. When hedges cover, the price will be volatile. Your webcam pun, Clay. Like it. I like it. So why is Chipotle stock so high? Much lower market cap as well than these. Chipotle is at what, like 1,600 or somewhere around there? Dude, Chipotle, although you guys don't like Chipotle, Chipotle has a very large revenue, and Chipotle makes money, and they're not, like, buried in debt. AMC is buried in debt, guys. I mean, if you're looking at fundamentals, it's very difficult to justify a share price for AMC based on its fundamentals. Now, yes, I know it's recovering, it's growing, and so on, But it all depends on how many shares are outstanding and what the company is worth. If AMC all of a sudden did a reverse split and there were only 10,000 shares outstanding, sure, the stock price would skyrocket. But it would still be worth, what's it worth right now? Like $20 billion? What's the market cap? At $23 billion. It would still be worth $23 billion, but it might be trading at $4,600 a share. So that's the difference. It all depends on what the company's worth and how many shares are outstanding. How many shrimps do you think Clay ate to drunkenly order AMC? Because that is the only kind of cocktail I've got going on. 200, man. I put away 200 shrimp. Could you imagine putting away 200 shrimp? Unless they're a tiny little popcorn shrimp, that'd be difficult. Chipotle stock is so high because they're open on Sundays. Boom! Roasted. Not a Chick-fil-A fan. Oh, no. That's how Chipotle stock is so high. I FOMO into BBIG this morning with everyone talking about it and luckily got out with more profit for AMC. Cassie, very nice. If you would have got in yesterday, though, you wouldn't have been able to get out with a profit. Kyle! Webcams chat suck. Boto? Oh, no. Now I remember. I remember what that is now. Kyle got me good on the first one. Oh, man, now I remember when he really messed with me. And I technically I said it. So webcams chat suck. Yes, they do, Kyle. Thank you very much for the super chat. And, they do, man. They do. You're going to get into some of them, and you got to, viewer discretion is advised on those webcam chats there, Kyle. Thank you very much for the support, man. I appreciate it. And, I did say it again. So you got me, man. Chipotle probably has investment in the toilet game as well. Well, there you go, man. They're thinking ahead. I don't have a big enough fridge to put away that much shrimp. Oh! Come on, Sam Blow. We need to. It's getting dicey, boys and girls. What do you think about SPRT? Also, risky. I don't know. I think it's risky. I don't think it's an AMC play. And AMC is not a guaranteed play either. Kyle, you sub to them, bro? Maybe. Kyle might be into those webcam chats. Raising Cane's stock should be way higher than it is, and they are open on Sundays, unlike the Holy Chick-fil-A. Yes, they are. Yes, Nufo. Banana, a.k.a. something else that could be interesting on a webcam chat. Clay, bro, you think the stock at ChargePoint will go to the moon once all car companies start mass-producing electric vehicles? Yeah, so I don't know ChargePoint in particular, if it's going to be one that goes to the moon. I do believe electric vehicles are going to have a very prominent point, or very, very prominent spot in the automotive markets all over the entire world, not just the United States. Are we there yet? I don't think so, but I do think that they're going to get there at some point, and it's more of a long-term play than it is a short-term play. But I don't know when electric vehicle companies start to boom and nobody wants these gas vehicles anymore, it's going to drive demand way down for gas, and the price of gasoline might come way down, and then it's going to be an offset. Like, there's going to be a decision that people have to make. AB, thank you very much for the super chat. AB says, can't wait for the squeeze to happen. I only want enough money to know that it doesn't matter in life. Yes, then once you realize that money doesn't matter, there you go, man. That's when you know that you've made enough money, when it no longer matters. AB, I like the thought process behind that one, Clay. I have a whole video of you saying it. Kyle, probably got videos of me saying everything, man. 7 more minutes to reach $47. Let's go. And we're breaking out right now. It is looking very nice. AMC, $47. Let's put this right at 47 so we can see. There's your $47 line, right? $47.69. No, $47 right there. Let's get it nice and big. We're going right now. Let's go. Let's go right now. We can do this. All right. All right. I like where we're going with this bad boy. Well above the yellow line. Natalie is in the green again. Natalie, if you're listening right now, you are once again in the green. Looking very good. Clay, shout out to Broovely's brother. Shout out to Broovely's brother. Okay, shout out to you, sir. Vance smashed the like. Thank you very much, Vance. I appreciate that, guys. Don't forget to click the like button. Definitely sus that you keep talking down the exit price. Why would that be sus? Planet VVV. Why would it be sus that I keep talking down the exit price? I don't know what you mean. I want enough money to afford a gallon of milk. Sam Blow. Me too. Me too, man. In the world that I live in, milk is extremely expensive. 47 LFG, Amy. Let's go, Amy. Come on. What happens if the hedge funds don't pay back? Don, then the lenders are going to be paying it back. So I wouldn't worry about the hedge funds not paying it back. You will get your money for AMC stock. Will it, my apes? Will it, my apes? And then we get it. 47 plus for the close. Let's get it. Look at the green boom boom candles. AMC, yes. Keep going. Keep going. I tried, Broovely. Oh, come on, Broovely. Where you at? I'll try harder. Shout out to you. Something. Oh, my brother turned 11 today. Can you shout him out? His name is No. Titus. Shout out to you, man. Titus, Clay, shout out 47 so we can will this. Yeah, we're going 47. We're taking it on the day. We're taking 47. Come on now. At least I made it in time. Lipton's, glad you're here. Wow, Doc. I know it gets crazy, doesn't it? You got Titus names, and shout out to you. Happy birthday, man. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it's okay. Kyle says we got the fat boom, boom, baby, in the... Oh, Amy is looking so good right now. Amy's got that fat boom, boom going on. AMC running up above 47. Kyle, man, thank you very much. Mahalo, how, Kyle, for the super chat. I appreciate it. We are going above 47. I know we will. We're closing above that green line today. Natalie is going to end in the green. It is going to be a very good day for all of us. I'm excited. I want to know right now, are you excited? We got 4 minutes left in the trading day, 300 people in here. All I want to know is, are you excited? Simple as that. If you're not, I don't know why. 901,000 or bust. Neil, per share or your total portfolio? It's pronounced Sasali, I assume. Yeah, Sasali. It could be Sasali, Titus. Let's go, bros. King, let's do Bastille. Thank you very much for the super chat. Bastille, showing support for what you do, Clay, and the yellow line. Thank you. Support at the yellow line for Natalie. Support for me. Thank you very much, Bastille. I appreciate it. And it's got to be late over there in Singapore, Bastille. Why are you not sleeping right now? You just watch the U.S. market and then go to sleep afterwards? Oh, man, you guys are absolutely amazing today. Thank you very much for the support, for all of the super chats. I appreciate it. Leslie says, woohoo, we are going above 57. I'm so glad Natalie's in the green. Anybody else turn green today? Did anybody else, their portfolios or their position in AMC, did you guys turn green today? Because it was a decent day. We're back above 47. We're right around 47 right now. 8% on the day. We might have a slight pullback, but I'm still calling 47 at the close. I obviously claim his Q-face at least once a day, so sexy and great smile. KM, very interesting. Thank you very much for that. I'm glad you come in here at least once a day. You should at least come 3 times a day. If you're not coming 3 times a day, I don't know what you're doing. I need to buy more shares before this squeeze. Mena, yes, we all need to add a little bit to our portfolios before it squeezes. Horse Derby, Clay, bro, possibly we can get it in there. Kyle, another super chat. Kyle, mahalo, brother, thank you very much. Once I make $1 million, I'm going to fly Natalie out so she can be my son's godmother. That's what I'm talking about. Natalie, I don't know if you're busy right now, but you're not super active in the chat. We are sitting here. You are flying out to Hawaii post-squeeze, and you are becoming Kyle's son's godmother. It's as simple as that. It's happening. Post-squeeze, Kyle's going to be a millionaire. You're going to be the godmother, and it is going to be looking very, very good in Hawaii. Oh, man, I'm a little bit jealous now, Kyle. Come on. Thank you very much for the super chat, man. I appreciate it. Mahalo, brother. My other little brother, oh my gosh, you guys are crazy, Broovely. You guys got some weird names in that family, don't you? Cerebra, let's go. Animo out 100. Oh my gosh, let's do it, Omar. Day traders, these crazy day traders are going to get ripped. Phone is barely charged. What have I missed? Chris, we're closing at 47 plus today, man. 2 minutes left in the day. $46.93, right? $46.94 right now. AMC is running into the power hour, into the close right now. 8.31% gain on the day so far. I hope we get a 9% gain on the day. We close well into 47. That is all I want to see right now. All right, we got the last minute of the day right now. $46.98, $46.98. Oh, we got $47 right here on the chart. I want to see right now in the chat, over, under. I want to see 47. Spam the 47s in the chat right now because we got to go. We got to go above 47. We are closing green. The candle is coming in green right now, $47.04. It is looking very good. Can we bust a new high? $47.16 is the high on the day. $47.12 is the recent high. All we got to do is get another 20 cents to bust that recent high. I absolutely think that we can do it. $47 in the chat right now. We got it. We got it. We got it over. We're spamming 47s because we want to close above 47. We want to see a 9+% gain on the day. All you got to do, guys, is buy into the close right now, and you can get it with the 47s, 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 47s. Less than a couple seconds left in the trading day. Can we break an all-time high for today? And I think we can do it. 47.13 on the chart right now. Another 5 cents is going to get us an all-time high on the day. All I want to see is an intraday high. $47.13 is the high we got to beat right now. 47.14. Oh, we're going. We're gonna close above $47.14, and it seems like we closed at $47.14. Oh my goodness, that was intense. Now all we gotta do is run into the power hour, and it's gonna be a very nice day. And I know I missed something from Kyle up there, so I gotta scroll up. Let's see what we got going on. Bastille, okay, and Yellow Line. Thank you, Saul. That one wants to make $1 million. Okay, I just want to make sure I didn't. Okay, there we go. Kyle says, I'll fly you out too, Clay, bro. Just so my baby mamas don't be sus. That's what I'm talking about. Good deal. Kyle, that is an excellent plan, man. That is an excellent plan. We don't need the baby mamas being sus about nothing. I'll fly out with Natalie. It's going to be all good, and then we can have a good month, dude. What are we talking about week for? Month. We can have a good month in Hawaii. Now, that's what I'm talking about. Mahalo, Kyle. Thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate it. And a very good plan. You're thinking ahead. We can't have those baby mamas sus about nothing. We got to make sure that Natalie and I fly out. I mean, shoot, dude. We can both fly out of the same airport. I'll drive. She can drive. Whatever the deal is. We'll both fly out together. It'll be all good. Dude, Ronald, we got it, man. $47.14. Clay, when you become a millionaire, I missed it. Don't retract your messages, 12. Come on now. I saw it in there. I'll sneak a little money on his screen. There you go. Sneak his money onto the screen. Do it. Lipton. A cheese. Yes, sir. Love you guys. 8 Nations. Yes, Matthew McConaughey. We made it. That was nuts. That was nuts, A-Rod. And we did it. We closed above $47. We almost hit an intraday high at $47.16. $47.14 was all we got, but it was a very good, strong close. I liked it. Chocolate Treat likes those chocolate-covered diamond bananas. Great week so far for AMC. Let's keep up the good energy. Letitia, that is exactly what we plan on keeping up here, is all of the good energy all of the time. And we got to retest 48, and then what comes after 48? After 48, we're going for $50 per share. Big ups, everybody. Absolutely, Ugandan Toad. With a new picture like every minute. This is interesting. Okay, had to fix it. Sorry, Clay. When you become a millionaire from AMC, you should start a coffee company like Starbucks, but call it Clay Bros Coffee. 12. I like it, 12. Clay Bros Coffee. Would anybody drink Clay Bros Coffee? I would drink my own coffee. I'll tell you, I would drink my own coffee. Let's keep it rolling. Let's do it, Stonky Kong. Let's go. Green money is the best kind of money. Green money all day long, guys. Hopefully we continue to rip into after hours. We'll move this chart slightly so we can see and we don't steady off. 1111 Simon says, we need the salt and the chapstick. 1111 Simon, thank you very much. You guys know, you got the salt right here. You got to just pour the salt out and then throw it over your shoulder for good luck because everybody needs luck. And because salt tastes so good, you just got to, go back and then get it. Oh, no, man. I tried to get it in my mouth, but it went in my eye again. Thank you very much. 1111 Simon, I appreciate that, man. $1.99 for another piece of clothing. Well, the one sock came off earlier today, Rocket, so I guess you got the other one right now, man. That is for you right there. I don't know what you want to do with that sock, dude, but you can think about that. You can think about that sock all night long. Thank you very much for the super chat. Rocket, I appreciate that. And, yeah, my dad calls me up almost daily now, man, and it's like a daily greeting. Instead of saying hello, it's a Rocket, and I'm like, hello, Father. How are you doing? He's like, Rocket, Rocket. I love it. I love it. You're part of the family already, Rocket. Love my apes. This is my home here with Clay and the apes. Matthew McConaughey, absolutely. And I know that I'm saying your name wrong. I'm just going with Matthew McConaughey, right? Because it's easy to say. I'll trade you for Ortex. I'll trade you a Ortex for a like. I don't have Ortex, man, so you can click the like button if you want. But, Nick, Ortex update. He just had it a minute ago, dude. 86 million shares was the current short interest. 1111 Simon says salt shaker and chapstick, man. Salt shaker and chapstick. So he wants me to put the chapstick on for some reason. I don't know why. He always likes when I put the chapstick on. I guess it's because I put it on weird. I don't know. It's because I put it on weird or something. But once you put the chapstick on, then you take the salt shaker, you pour a little salt out, and then you throw it over your shoulder. And just because salt tastes so good, you have to get every single time, man. I don't know why, but thank you very much, 1111 Simon. I appreciate all of the super chats, man. Give me beer. Interesting. I don't know. Love to see the green. Rob Bliss. I absolutely love to see the green on AMC. Bro, what's up, Dank dude? How you doing, man? Maybe apes strong. Apes are always strong. Would you drink Folgers coffee? Yes, I would drink Folgers coffee. Clay, bro, for the electric vehicle boom of the future, do you think it would be wise to invest in Workhorse, a company that produces batteries for electric vehicles? Listen, 721. I think any kind of company, I would diversify if you're going to be getting into the electric vehicle space. Don't just buy one company in electric vehicles. I think that you don't want to put all of your risk in one stock, especially in one industry. But I think there are a ton of battery and a ton of electric, like charging stations and electric battery companies out there that are going to be very crucial in the future. Which one wins out? Which one becomes the leader? I don't know which one is going to really make its way and become the leader. But I would diversify if electric vehicles are something that you believe has a future. You know, take a lot of those companies and just spread it out evenly. If you've got $1,000 that you want to invest, I don't know, buy 5 different companies with $200 each, and so on. If you got $10,000 you want to put in electric vehicles, go on and do that. It's Clay, I don't know what diversifying means. Sam, that's because you are a YOLO player, man. 100% in AMC. Diversifying, you know, just buy a couple different stocks and a couple different industries and a couple different companies so that you don't put all of your money in one basket. Ordex update. Estimated short interest change down 2.75%. Return shares 3.66 million. Borrowed shares 697,000. Borrowed change down 2.97 million. Estimated current short interest free float 16.81%. Estimated current short interest 86 million. Utilization 93.39%. There. Now you got to click the like button for the Ortex update. Thank you very much, Nick. I appreciate that. Rob Bliss, man. Rob Bliss says there's no stopping during the live stream. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Oh, man. Keep it up. Thank you very much, Rob. Liz, we got to keep it up. Thank you very much for the super chat, the sticker. I appreciate that right there. And yes, it is always good to get a little workout in during the live stream. Rob Bliss, I appreciate it very much, my man. Thank you for making me sweat a little bit, because we got to stay in shape during these live streams, all right? We sit here for 2 hours. We got to get a little exercise in. We got to keep it up. You know what I mean? That bird isn't wearing a shirt. And he is wearing a headband. I don't have either one of those things here, so I decided to swap the shirt for the headband. That's the only difference that I could think of. Like, I know he wasn't wearing a shirt there, but I had to keep it up. No, I had to keep it up. And he's got a headband on, but no shirt, so I decided to do shirt but no headband. Just shoes and a headband, baby. Ooh, that's the best. Like when I work out in the basement with Nickelback, I'll let you know a little secret. It's just shoes and a headband down there, and Nickelback blasting. So, when you guys are thinking about me tonight, working out after the video, yeah, you guys can get a little bit of better visual. Pear. It looks like a little pear bird kind of guy, man. Not a little pear bird. I think it looks like a bird to me, but it looks like a pear too, because he's got a little stem with some leaves. You need some weights for that. Rob, I know I need some weights for that, but I don't have any weights here. They're all in the basement. Hey, Clay, enjoyed your video on AMC Short Squeeze. Very informative. Keep it up. Lee, thank you very much. I appreciate that. AMC Entertainment Holdings spouse says we haven't gone out to eat in a while. Do you want to go to the Olive Garden? My response, that's probably 2 shares of AMC. And I said, you can eat when the Motherwell Short Squeezes happens. Carl, I'm going to give you some advice right now, man. That is that's riskier. That's riskier than betting YOLOing on AMC, man. When you start to tell a spouse that you can't go out to eat because you got to buy AMC, it might not. You might end up with no AMC. Just be careful, dude. Be careful. Olive Garden, nice place. They don't sell hot dogs there, but still a nice place. And I don't know, dude. You might want to be careful on that one. You might end up with no shares of AMC, and I don't want to see that happen. Claybro, I'm back. The Hudsons, I'm glad you're back. Can the chart be any smaller? Very good question. Very good question. Yes, it can. Claybro, I'm back. Good deal, Hudson. Y'all be sitting around. We gotta not be couch potatoes. Let's get it. Absolutely, Rob Bliss. No couch potatoes around here. If he opens the basement during the stream, Nickelback could sing to him and get a copyright violation. Plus, he'd lose a ton of viewers. I think I would gain viewers if Nickelback was singing to me, but the copyright violation, dude, could you technically get a copyright violation if Nickelback was singing on this stream? Like, would that be a violation of anything? I don't really know if it would. Nickelback, like if it was actually Nickelback singing. King Clay, what's up, Mr. Pina Colada? Clay, put a hot dog inside an Olive Garden breadstick. Thank me later. Oh my gosh, Sam, that sounds delicious. You're making my mouth water, dude. Oh my gosh. Careful what you ask for. I don't even know what I asked for. I don't even know, but I will try to be careful. 48 is going to be a fun fight tomorrow. Apes are ready. Rudy, we're going to break 48 tomorrow. So, Clay, and tell all the new apes the difference between market orders and limit orders when it squeezes. Yeah, guys, so if you didn't watch the video last night, I recommend going to watch it when you get into, if you want to get into a little bit more detail. But a market order, essentially, you're going to get filled. Now, let's set the scene right here. Very volatile stock, okay? Up, down, $100, $200, swings all over the place. So, very volatile. You use a market order, you're going to get filled. That's the pro of using a market order. Your order will get filled. The con, you don't know where you're going to get filled at. So, you could fill at a price better than you put it in, at a price worse than you put it in. You're going to get filled, but you don't know where you're going to get filled. Limit order. If you go out there and you place a limit order, let's say you're trading at, I don't know, $900 per share, you want to take your profit at $1,000 per share. You put that limit order on there, it's really volatile. Remember, now the good news about a limit order, the pros of a limit order, you're going to get filled at or above the price. So we break through 1,000, maybe you get filled at 1,000, maybe you get filled at 1,100, and so on. The con, you never reach that 1,000 and you never get filled, or you go past it and then you only get partial filled because there's only X amount of shares available and you're looking to fill Y amount of shares. So you only get a partial fill and then you drop back down and never go back above the price. So those are the two pros and cons. One, guaranteed to get filled, but you don't know where. The other, you know where you're going to get filled, but you're not guaranteed to get filled. That's it in a nutshell. Watch last night's video if you wanted more detail. In the off chance I lose our $1 trillion bet, best I can do is continue to be a subscriber. Yes, Sam, that is the best you can absolutely continue to do is be a subscriber. Whether you win or lose, always subscribe to the channel. Marble or granite kitchen island, I'm home styling. Dude, go granite. I'd say go granite. Well, I don't know. What color are the cabinets? What color cabinets you got? I would say go granite, man, but I guess it depends what kind of look you're going for in there. Clay, I appreciate the fact you stick around for a while after the close. These other guys bounce right away. Some of us need a little cuddle after the time. Yeah. Josh, that's what I'm saying, man. We get the busy market, the power hour, and then we want to hang out for a minute. Talk, chat, get to know each other, make sure everything's all right. And all these other guys just bounce, man. Open the door and leave. It's kind of like, well, that's rude. Why would they do that? Penn Station Philly cheesesteak. Fudge spreader. That sounds like a good thing to eat. Put a hot dog in a breadstick, then blend the dog stick into paste and squeeze on a non... Brovly, excuse me? That does not sound good. No, sell. Silhouette, interesting. It doesn't matter if it goes up or down this month. It just buy and hold on for dear life. Michelle? Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce the name correctly, but yes, that is the game plan. Buy and hold. Giovanni Piazza, thank you very much for the super chat. Hello to everyone. AMC to the moon. Let's go, 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 go. Shout out to you, Giovanni Piazza, and shout out to Global and Costless Heating and Cooling, man. You guys are you doing good there? Are you doing good today over in Southern California, Giovanni? That's what I need to know right now. Are you guys having a good day over there? Clay bro. So say that I sell at $1 million during the squeeze. Where should I put my money to get a very good dividend return? 7th, man. It depends what you like. I would diversify over several different dividend stocks, but AT&T pays a very good dividend. We know they're not going anywhere. REITs pay a very good dividend, and we know they're not going anywhere. You can get away with roughly like 7 to 12% dividends on some fairly safe stocks. So I would look into several different dividend plays, not just one of them. I know that Waste Management has been growing their dividend and paying a dividend successfully for like, I don't know, 30 years. So they're also a decent play to look into when it comes to dividends. But I wouldn't put it all in one dividend stock. Okay, I would go more along the lines of an ETF that pays a dividend, some sort of a REIT, or possibly diversifying across several different stocks and sectors. Power Hour is a joke. Is a joke, man. The market's been acting like a college frat boy, giving us a power 30 seconds at best. Come on, Power Hours these days. These frat boys, all they can do is last 30 seconds. Good 30 seconds though. It's very, very good 30 seconds, but it's only 30 seconds at best, and Sam is right. We are rocking it. Giovanni, I'm glad you're rocking it out there. You guys are killing it in Southern California. I like it. Oh, no, webcam chat is back. Hey, bro, hello from Saudi Arabia. We apes are holding strong here. Mother of all short squeezes coming soon. Orphis, yes, the mother of all short squeezes is coming soon. We're going to do it. Welcome, webcamschat.com. Welcome. How are you? All I want, webcam chat, is I don't want the exclamation points. I only want a simple hello from you. So I don't even know why you do that. Bye. Dom, are you leaving? Why are you leaving? Brett, they're back. They are back. Oh no, webcam chat, what are you doing? Guys, everyone these past weeks is trying to predict where it goes this week or next week or this month. Nobody can predict something in a rigged market. Get our money up, not your funny up. Yes, also, nobody can predict anything in a regular market either. Nobody can predict the future, guys. I don't care what market it is. Nobody can predict the future. Out in my lazy spa and looking for the moon, all I can see is green candles. Fevresville, I like it, man. Hot girls, stonks, please. Yeah, hot girls, stonks, please. That's why we're here. Exactly, Rudy. Soapstones, where it's at. Cognitive. Soapstones? What is soapstone? Oh no, they're back, and I accidentally hit the link, subscribe, and talk to them for hours. It happens, man. It happens. If you guys get sucked into the hot boys and girls chat, it happens. Check out Astro's Cycle Theory. J-Man, I have checked out Astro's Cycle Theory. I'm not on board with it. I'll just be honest. I'm not on board with it. Jeff Klebro, what up, buddy? Watching from work? Shh, don't tell my boss. Jeff, if your boss sees you're watching from work, what's your boss's name right now so I can give him a shout out? I just want to know. Tell me your boss's name in case they come over and you, like, I don't know, hit an emoji in the chat or something, like go crazy, and then I give him a shout out, and then everything will be cool. You were cute. Carl, thank you very much. Carl, I respect your button forward course of action. Yes, so we all. Dom. Okay, Dom's not leaving. No, I was saying goodbye to the webcam. Gotcha, Dom. I thought you were leaving, and you're just like abruptly leaving, like bye. I was like, dang, man, this dude just comes in here and then leaves, like bye. All right, man. At least you said bye. I don't even say bye. She's on vacation. Well then, dude, you don't even have to worry, Jeff. Just hang out with us, sit back, relax, and enjoy the next 45 minutes. Clay, I texted that WhatsApp number you put in the comments last vid. Did you get all my info? Yes, bravely, very good, man. I got all of your info, and I will be. What was I telling you I was gonna do in that WhatsApp chat? Was I gonna invest your money for you, or give you my top picks, or what was I gonna do in that one? I forget what I was saying to everybody's comments last night with all the WhatsApp numbers. Either way, oh, my Russian friend is back. What's up, my Russian friend? Redline Sean, you got to think harder than that one, man. You're not going to get me on that one. Bye. Matt Kors must have just started streaming again. Just kidding. I use him to kill the time until you're back. Yeah, I use him to kill the time while I'm gone, too. I hang on a Matt Kors stream for a minute. I visited a lot of streams while I'm out there, but I was in Mass for like 20 minutes today. Some of you guys have it at the end there. Cade Hosera. Cade Hosera. I don't know what happened at the end. Where? Just needs the expiration date. Yeah, I just need the expiration date on your card. That's it. And the CCV code, and you're good to go. I do not listen. Privet. Privet. My Russian friend. That's all I know in Russian. Come on now. Why is your friend Russian? I don't know. He needs to calm down a little bit. because he's just rushing all over the place. What's happening? Dippy Dog. We had a very nice close today. That's what's happening right now. I think we have definitely need to super chat him for you to notice. Dom, yeah, 100%, man. What do you think, Clay? 50 this week? PDP, if we break 48, I'd be on board for 50. If we bounce off 48, I can't say that we're going to hit 50 this week. I think 48 is going to be a stronger level than 58, or 50 is, sorry. Jeff, I guess they're late to the AMC party. That's why they're rushing. Time to go earn some money, buy more shares. Mama used to yell at us kids, go play in traffic, so I became a truck driver. James, man. Enjoy playing in the traffic then. Hopefully it works out for you. 16 mil shares were traded at the end of the price. Didn't move at all. Kate, it happens, man, but it did kind of move at the end of the day there. Right? We did get a decent bounce at the end of the day. 52 tomorrow. Man, I sure hope so. Clay, I got those. Oh, you sent me on WhatsApp. Very nice, Cognitive. I'm glad. I'm glad that you got them. What'd you think? I mean, was it okay, or you didn't like them? I'm very glad to see you. Me too, Russian man. I'm very glad to see you. People, Rich the Kid just promoted Crypto Island. Hey, bro. Dark Pool Prince After Hours coming in big. Be prepared for a run now after hours. Shoot, man, I hope we run after hours. I love it when it runs after hours. I have no idea, Diffy Dog. I have no idea why Mike is not here. Where you at, Mike? My third grade teacher let us play in traffic daily. Lost a lot of good classmates. Rest in peace, brother and sisters. Crazy, Johnstontown. Your third grade and your first grade teachers sound like they were very nice people. It was, well, I'm glad that you enjoyed it then, Cognitive. It was a great day for apes, though. Good job. Yes, it was a very good day for apes today. Above 47. Natalie is green. That is all we cared about today. Tie your shoes, boys. We are running. Oh, yes, Sam Blow. Still no Natalie on her plus day. Where are you, Natalie? I know you can hear us. Come on. I know you got your headphones in. You just can't type right now. It's all right, Natalie. I know you can hear us right now, but you just can't type. Don't worry about going back to your phone and answering the chat. I just want to let you know that you are in the green. AMC closed at $47.14. It is currently trading at $46.95. So the fact that you are up on your portfolio right now should be very exciting for you. I know it's been a long time coming, and I want to be the first to congratulate you. Very good job getting into AMC stock. And now, back to the regularly scheduled program. People, Rich the Kid just promoted Crypto Island. Rich the Kid, Crypto Island. Chris the Builder, good deal. Natalie's in Jackson Hunter's live stream a few minutes ago. No way, Ro. Impossible. Impossible, Ro. I'm calling you out on that one, man. I'm calling you out now. Do you like Band-Aid? Bad booty. Yes, Band-Aids are good when you get a little cut. How do you see AMC after hours? Gage, if you've got Weeble, you can trade AMC after hours. I don't know what you use to trade, but AMC is currently at $47.12. Running after hours, looking very nice here. That is what it's trading at. Why don't I have a price? Oh, after hours, 47.08, 47.10, 47.13. There we go. My price was locked up for a minute there. I was wondering where it was. Okay, so Natalie, maybe I lied to a minute ago. I'm not exactly sure, but the price is $47.11. Bro, what's up? Wilson, what's going on, Wilson? Clay, bro. Clay, what is the resistance number you said we need to pass in order to get to 70 again? 55 to 60 is going to be very significant, SH. 55 to 60, we've got a lot of people that are going to be breaking even in that range, and also 55 to 60 on the daily chart is a significant range of resistance. Oh my gosh, man, look at these green candles. These are just beautiful. I don't even know what to do about these things. These are just beautiful. Oh my goodness gracious. Let's take the RSI off right now. Watch this bad boy run. Oh my gosh. Oh man, we gotta make the chart bigger. 47.32. I think we might test 48 after hours. Look at this right now. Thanks for being so positive always. Rob Bliss, thanks for hanging out in here always, man. How can you not be positive when you got one of the best stocks in the game? Okay, can't wait for 50. Opening a beer. All right, Riptide Redempt. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Where did that candle even go? What? Wow. Jeez, man, this is looking nice for AMC. Wow. We don't have maps in Russia. Well, you should get some maps in Russia. Privet. My keyboard doesn't have these characters, so I have to call you my Russian guy. What part of Russia? My sister-in-law is from Moscow. What? Very nice, Brett. Very nice. Privet to your sister. Run, 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 AMC. Oh, yes, Joe. Here we go. Odin, here we go. Today has been glorious. All three of my cats are getting treats when I get home. Let's go. Sam Blow. I love it, man. Your cats are going to love you. Told you. Dark Pool ain't lie. Odin. You did tell us. Let's watch this bad boy run to 48 right now. YouTubers should explain what we're up against. Nothing bad or unusual. We're dealing with the algorithms, and they are totally different than hedge funds, dark pools, prepare for order flow, etc. The true numbers will come. Jaga. Yeah, the true numbers are definitely going to come. I agree with you on that one. But what do you mean what we're up against? You think that we're up against some sort of trading algorithm that's going to stop the stock from going higher? Oh my gosh, I gotta move the chart again. Inverted name. We're almost at my average. Nice. What's your average inverted name? We gotta get you above it. We gotta get you back in the green. Oh man, we gotta get you back in the green. It feels so. If we get you back in the green today, Natalie's back in the green. It is gonna be nice for everybody being in the green. We are running after hours, man. This is looking beautiful right now. $47.64. I'm loving this run. If AMC is not a 100% play, where would you put it, Clay Bro? John, what do you mean? What do you mean if AMC's not 100% play? Where would you put it? You mean if AMC's not guaranteed? Nothing's guaranteed, man. 49.22 is my break even. Salty Maynard, let's go. I hope you get to 49.22. According to Clay, the true numbers should come at least 3 times a day. Sam, I am honored that you pay attention to everything that I say. And yes, if you're not coming 3 times a day, I don't know what you're doing. So real numbers should come at least 3 times a day. Carl says, boom, boom, baby. AMC running. Look at this green in after hours. It is amazing. $47.78 right now. We're knocking on 48's door. You guys can see 48 up here at the top of the screen. We're knocking on 48's door. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. 5 nice candles in a row. 50 after hours. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Ooh, 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 ooh. Brett, let's get it, man. Let's get it. If we go 50 after hours, I'm going to be just excited. My average is 47.17. I'm green again. Woohoo! Amy Joe, beautiful. I love it. Thank you for getting green today, and it's got to feel pretty good, doesn't it? Mike Johnston, thank you very much for grabbing that green name. You guys know what I want to see right now in the chat. 475, welcome, Mike Johnston's, for grabbing that green name, becoming a little bro, and joining the channel. Just get that warm bro welcome from Mike Johnston out there. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you very much, Mike. I appreciate it. Everybody else in here appreciates it, and I think you're going to like having that green name, too. It's a lot easier to see those green names in the chat. Gage says, is it too late to buy more shares? Got in $38 to $40. Gage, it's never too late to buy more shares, okay? There's a lot of places that you can look for support. If you want to buy shares at a decent entry, you can buy them bouncing off support or ripping through resistance. One of those two could be a decent entry. Now, does this mean that we're never going to drop back down? No, it doesn't mean we're never going to drop back down. But if you're in it for the short squeeze, I don't think that $48 is the cap of the short squeeze. So I think even if you got in now, raised your average a little bit, you're still able to make money in AMC. So keep that in mind. But, you may end up getting a better entry at a different point if we do decide to pull back. Counselor Murray, thank you very much for the super chat. Counselor says, we are going to 50 after hours. LOL. Thanks, Apes. My average was 43, and all I see is green. I hold to help the others with a higher average. Salute, Clay. Thank you very much, Counselor Murray. I appreciate it. We're going 50 after hours, baby. We're going 50 after hours. I love it, guys. Let's go 50 after hours. We got to break through 40 first, but I think we can make it. Carl becoming a little bro. Thank you very much, Carl. Everybody in the chat right now, welcoming Carl. Thank you very much for grabbing that green name, becoming a little bro, joining the channel, and we need to get that 511 warm welcome for Carl in the chat right now. Welcome, Carl. Welcome, Carl. Welcome, Carl. 99 Astronomy, LFG. Let's go, 99. We can get this. Come on, how does it cost you 30.60? How much does it cost you 30.60? I don't know what you meant by that, Russian guy. How much does it cost you 30.60? Not sure I understood that one. Thank you guys very much for supporting the channel. I appreciate it. Grabbing those green names, sending the super chats. You guys are awesome. Dude, my microphone was on. What I was talking to my dumb friend Lipton's interesting. I don't know if it was or not. Let's see. Welcome, Carl. Look at all these welcome Carls. And we've got AMC Trapper in the chat right now. Thank you for hanging out with us. Mike even says welcome, Carl. Very good. Everybody welcoming all of the green members to the chat. I appreciate you guys so much. I mean, I don't know. I often see some people becoming members on other channels. But when you become a member, I think everybody in here should just throw out a warm welcome because you guys are absolutely awesome. Supporting the channel like that, grabbing those green names, it is beautiful to me. What's up, Clay? I heard you mention WM earlier. What do you mean? Stock has been up lately. That's where I work for now. I don't know. Did I mention WM? What is WM? I don't even know if I mentioned that earlier. First time, long time. John, what's going on, man? How you doing? Glad you're in here. Thank you. Carl, thank you. I've been in here just busy working. AMC Trapper, thanks for hanging out with us always. And you know what, guys? If you're working, you don't have to type in the chat, but it is nice when you do. Let me know you're here, especially if we know your name in here. Come on now. And if we don't know your name, listen, there's 511 people in here. I understand some of you guys might be working. I understand some of you guys aren't typers. You don't like to type in the chat. And I understand some of you guys might be driving. The only excuse I'm going to find acceptable at this point is if you are driving. I want to see a simple hello in the chat. If you typically don't type, but maybe you're afraid. Yeah, I don't know what to say. I don't know if he's going to see it, blah, blah, blah. Type a simple hello in the chat right now if you typically only listen. And we don't know your name yet. I want to get to know your name, but I can't get to know your name unless you type it in the chat. 7th, I'm not recognizing your name as much, but I have seen you in the chat very much so today. So I do see you out there. Yahoo, AMC is flying after hours. Mike, it definitely is. Simple hello. Mr. Pina Colada, I've already recognized your name. Word, hello. Hello to you. Ro, I already know you. Alexis Moreno, hello to you. Hey, Maine. Sammy, how are you? Alexis, John, Sakita, Tarski. All right, good deal, guys. What a great day, Clay. Jay, it's been very good. Yancey, Richard. Driving? Don't text me if you're driving, Lord. Come on now. Bleacher Bum. Joe, hello. How are you? Jeffrey, what's up, bro? Nandos. Nandos, I recognize your name, though. Jeremy, AMC Millionaire. I know your name. Evening here now. Feversvold. Yes, it is. Neil, I know your name, though. Tracy Tang, hello. How are you? Ronald. Ronald, I've seen your name, too, man. Nicolette. Jackie? Not exactly sure how to say that. Hello to you. TJW. Chris. Chase. Chase, I remember your name. Come on now. Gary, Real, Jamie, Neil, I know that one. John, Lucas, Lynn, Ivan. Very good, guys. Thank you very much. Because, listen, you don't have to type all the time, but it is nice. JJB Poultry, Bradford, Matt, Bleacher Bum again. All right, very good, guys. Julie Miller says hello. Listen, don't be afraid to type in the chat. I absolutely love it when you guys do type in the chat. But if you more sit back, relax, watch the live stream and watch what AMC's doing, all the power to you. I just want to know who's hanging out with us and what's going on out there. George, I don't recognize your name. Chris, first comment ever. No, it is not Chris. I've always recognized your name for quite some time now. Jeff, what's up? Ernest the Furnace Man. Eugene, Ernest the Furnace Man. Okay, why did you skip me? Nathan, I might not have seen it, man. Sorry. SW. Fud Spreader, don't say my name or read this. Sorry, Fud Spreader. Howdy, y'all. Kimberly says, howdy, y'all. What's going on? And hello to all of the new names that might be a little bit shy to type in the chat, too, guys. I appreciate it. Jason, hello. I changed my name. E-Rock. Yes, you did. You were E-Bomb, now you're E-Rock. Carl, throwing those pink apes and bro diamonds in the chat right now. Very nice, Carl. Driving as well, but got you. William Goldeneye, thank you very much. I appreciate that. What's good? Michael Phelps. We got Michael Phelps in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Amazing. Mr. Lost My Mind, To the Moon, Gary Wright. Everyone need to hit that like button. Yeah, guys, don't forget to hit the like button. And YouTube really does know when you guys hit the like button. Bought more shares today. Buying more tomorrow. Darn you! I'm sorry, Fud Spreader. It happens. Gumby was green and was claymation. Coincidence? I think not. Dexter, sup? How you doing? Natalie, Clay, bro. Nice green day. Nice after hours. Natalie Hess. It is a beautiful green day and beautiful after hours. Is it possible to buy in during the short squeeze? Yeah, Omar. It's possible to buy in during the short squeeze, but you got a higher likelihood of getting burnt. Hey, bro. Jacqueline Davis. Hello. How are you? Hopefully you're having a good day. This many people is going to crash Clay, bro's biblical times laptop. Divvy dog. It might, man. It might, but we got to go in for it. Doc Airline says imposter. Oh no! I'm E-Bomb again. E-Bomb, good deal. Slicky Miami started with a few $100 at $9. Do you think I'm cheating on Cash App? Because I'm buying all the dips on Webull. No, you're not cheating on Cash App. Yo, Clay, what do you think about today? Boy, I think today was absolutely amazing. Almost 9% gain on the day, right? What do we have? 9% gain on 8.77% gain on the day. Ripping after hours. Beautiful. Seriously, we need you guys to start talking. We will help gather our info and we will people stand for the squeeze. Yeah, guys, don't be afraid. If you I know you guys feel the vibe in the chat, all right? Don't be afraid to say something, okay? Don't ever be afraid to say anything. Lucas, what up, Clay, bro? What's up, David? Obama, okay. Hey, bro, Clay. Alton, Francis, how you doing? Israel Solano, much love, Clay. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Squeeze hasn't started. Buy and hold. Absolutely, Joe. The squeeze is not on. Green all the way. Winsome Campbell, yes, it is. You have my word. I will sell anyone who wants my shares at the peak of the squeeze. I will also sell my shares to anyone who wants them at the peak of the squeeze. Wowzers! Fish and fish. What's going on? Alejandro here from Germany. 8086. Clay here from Ohio. I love Clay, bro. E-Bomb. So glad to have you in here, man. Something. Graduated history. Anything. Say something. Say anything. Well, there you go. You are a literal listener. Longville, Georgia here. Carl. Ohio here, man. Longville, Georgia. Is it nice and hot down there today? Did you guys get hit by the storm at all? I don't know. David Hasselhoff. Okay, David Hasselhoff. That's another good one. When you say getting burnt by buying in during the short squeeze, start the short squeeze, am I not allowed to day trade after buying during the start? No, so you can still day trade. I don't recommend day trading. I don't want anybody to day trade AMC. If you day trade, you're going to limit the potential for the stock. But if you think that you're going to time it, instead of getting in right now at $47 a share, you might be getting in at $80 a share, $100 a share, $1,200 a share. I don't know when you're going to decide that the short squeeze is on, and then you're going to be able to enter from that point. Longville, this dude was born to buy and hold. Yes, he was, man. This dude was born to buy and hold. They call him El Mero Mero. What? They call me El Mero Mero. I don't know if they do, Simon. My name is Daphne. Daphne Berry. Hello, my name is Clay. SpongeBob. SpongeBob is a good guy. Follow SpongeBob, guys. David Hasselhoff was so my first crush. I was like 7 and in love with him. Knight Rider. Nice, Natalie. Who's your most recent crush? First crush, David Hasselhoff. Most recent crush, we need to know. Austin, Texas here. It feels like 106. Oh my gosh, dude. 106 is ridiculous. It probably feels like 79 here today. Would you ever go on CNBC? I'd be jacked to see you there. Maybe, man. Maybe. I don't know if they would let me on there because I feel like, I don't know. Sometimes people don't want blunt opinions. And I wouldn't be willing to say whatever they wanted me to say, so they might not like that. Oh, we're going 48, man. We're going 48. Clay, I hope we burn FOMO buyers for not getting in when we got in. Am I wrong? No, you're not wrong. So FOMO buyers might be nice to drive the price up, but if they're not willing to hold, man, I don't really care if they buy in or not. I only want people who are willing to hold. So FOMO, listen, I guess if somebody still doesn't know about AMC, I find it hard to believe, but I talk about AMC every day, so that's why I would find it hard to believe. And if they do know about AMC and they're still waiting to FOMO buy, you gotta ask them why. Most recent, Natalie Hess says most recent crush is of course Clay, bro. Oh my goodness, Natalie, you just made my day. Thank you very much for lying to everybody in the chat right now. I appreciate it, and yes, my day has been made. Just finished work. Yes, we hit 47, 48. Let's go. We are at 48 right now. We are sitting at $47.88 after hours. A beautiful run-up after hours. Lauren, we're going to get it. So glad that you finished work, and you're done for the day then, right? You have nothing else left to do? Very good. Typo said, don't worry about your typo. Come on, Lauren. We can read. I can read. It's all right. I can read. Hey, Clay, great energy. Lewis and SoCal, veteran ape, December 2020. Very nice. Lewis, man, glad to have you in here. I FOMO buy every day. I just never let the share go. Riptide redemption. That's a good strategy. Those shorts are going to get burned. Yeah, those shorts are definitely getting burned. Picture this. The price is approaching the $72 all-time high, and on Clay and on stream, Clay yells, "Release the hot webcam, boys and girls!" And every one of our friends buys it once, shooting it up to 10,000. Yes, that is the code word, okay? That's the code word. Release the hot webcam, boys and girls. And then, boom, we shoot right up to 1,000. It's going to be good, Sam. I like the way you picture things. I was born to diamond hands. Seriously, my birthstone is a diamond. You're diamond-handed holding forever. Very nice, Chris. I love it. It's not a dead cat. Kevin, it is definitely not a dead cat. I'm pregnant. Congratulations, I assume. I work at the Northern Trust in Chicago as an analyst, and I want to quit so bad. Neil, I hope you get there. I absolutely hope you get there. Please pray for me. I haven't told my wife. Well, interesting. I don't know how that is possible, Aragorn, but interesting for you. We got your back, Jason Momoa. What do we just, that's your most recent crush? Dylan? Jason Momoa? Is that what we got there? Natalie, congrats, Aragon. Yeah, but I don't understand what's going on here. I haven't told the what. I don't understand how that all works. I saw a big rig truck yesterday on the freeway that had AMC to the moon on the back. I think people are starting to notice. I hope so, PD Pete. My astrology sign is Kepler Sun. There you go, man. Kepler Sun is good. And look, we talk about webcam, and then webcam shows up in the chat. I know you're a real person, webcam. Just say hello to us. You said the name and they're here. Brett, I know. They're listening. Support the bros, subscribe, and hit that like button. Thank you guys very much. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and the like button as well. Woohoo! Webcams again. Riptide Redemption likes. I don't know. It's just a little, you got the little naughty vibe going on when webcam hot boys and girls jumps in the chat. I get paid $20,000 in the next 2 or 3 weeks, so I'm hoping to buy in before the short squeeze, Clay. I want to buy in right now, but I can't risk it without the funds. Omar, absolutely. If you guys don't have the funds available, don't spend the funds that you don't have available. It happened. You released them. I know, Sam. It's crazy, isn't it? I'm going to get a bumper sticker that says AMC to the moon. Analyst Performante. If that's how you say your name. I like it. It sounds like a good bumper sticker. Here comes 48, ready to be taken out. Let's do it. If we take out 48 after hours, that's going to be really nice. That's going to be really nice. All we got to do is bust this line right here. 48.01? No, 48. 48 flat. We can do it, guys. We can do it. This is the level that we're looking at right here. We can bust that line. Clay, bro, you pushing AMC after hours again? John, of course. We got to push it anytime we can get. When AMC goes to the moon, I'm going to name my son Ape. Dylan, I like it. I like it. You should name middle name Bro. Ape Bro. That's very good. I'm scared how she'll react. I am pregnant, and I don't want to tell him why not. Aragorn. Last night, the U.S. Open, Andy Murray had a sportswear called AMC. He lost, though. Oh, no. It's all right, though. AMC's still good, right? High 47.99, really? Let's push through. 47.9. I'm telling you guys, 48 is resistance. We can do it, though. Do you think we'll break the all-time high this week? Not this week. Honestly, Gary, I don't think we're going to break it this week. 48 is significant. We're going to see it here. 48 significant, 50 significant, and then the $55 to $60 range is going to be tough to break. We break there, we're doing good. Clay, call your kid Clay Ape. I would like that. I would call my kid Clay Ape. We make money the old-fashioned way. We earn it. Clownfish, absolutely. We earn the money. E-Bomb is pregnant. Oh, man, everybody in the chat's pregnant today. What is going on? What was in the AMC water? And behold, the hot boys and girls will descend from their webcams and squeeze will begin as it was written. Yes, that is exactly correct, Brett. As it was written, the hot boys and girls from the webcams descend from their webcams and squeeze the stock. Need AMC to go up all week to make me forget this weekend rent is due. Oh, no. Rent's due this weekend, Chris. It's all right, man. First of the week, you got it. 150,000 shares returned according to Stonk O Tracker. What would happen if everyone bought 10 more shares? Not too much. Like, everybody in here, if everybody in here bought 10 more shares, not too much would happen. If we sold 40 million shares, that might drive the price up a little bit. I'm not pregnant, just full of pizza. Brett, that might be even better, man. You should do this on Instagram Live, too. Chase! Should I? How would I set that up? I don't even know how to set that up. Nobody follow, like, I don't even have enough followers on Instagram. Is there a place where you can, like, rank for Instagram lives? New guy here. Make the kids listen to you in the morning on the way to school. Mark. Now that is what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, Mark. As long as the kids are listening on the way to school in the morning, they're going to have a great day. They're going to learn something, and they're going to become better adults because of it. Redline Sean is also pregnant. That's exactly what I expected. How high could the squeeze go if guessed realistically? Gage, because you proposed the question to say how high could it go, it could absolutely go as high as possible. Like, it's going to go as high is like, you know, when they say, oh, the weakest link is the best you're going to do, then yeah, the chain's gonna break. The chain's gonna break when the weakest link breaks, and then that's it. As soon as people start to decide to sell, AMC is going to be limited, and then it could potentially be over with. If everybody holds to 1,000, it goes to 1,000. If everybody holds to 10,000, it goes to 10,000, and so on. I believe once you start to get into that range, between 500 to 1,000, people are going to be very tempted to take their profits. And if they can resist that temptation, we blow right through those numbers, and it only looks better from there on out. So it all comes down to resisting the temptation, and I believe that the apes could do it, but these day traders and FOMO buyers, a lot less likelihood of resisting that temptation. LFG Amy, $48. Let's go. Laughing out loud, picturing an elementary class listening to the live chat instead of doing the pledge. Chris, they would have a very good day now, wouldn't they? Sample, let's find out. We can just say it is. We can just say it is. Is it mine? We can just say it is. Yeah, man. I think it should be yours, Sam. I think it should be yours. Ready to crash your teeth in the wall. Lipton, wow, that sounds pretty dangerous. I gotta take some at 1,000, but I'll save more. There you go, Jennifer. That's what I'm talking about. And guys, if you know the numbers that you need to get in and out at, like, stay true to yourself, okay? Don't stay true to somebody else. Stay true to yourself. You know what's best for you. Gage, how would I know when to sell when squeeze happens? Gage, good question. I'm going to tell you a couple different things you should look for, okay? Number one, Gage, you got to decide the number for yourself. You have to decide what is life-changing money for you, all right? I don't know how many shares you have. I don't know your financial situation. I don't know if you're looking to own a home, if you're looking to travel, if you're looking to get out of debt. Like, I don't know what your situation is. So you need to determine what is life-changing money for you. Now, be realistic, man. Don't sit there and say, well, only $100 million is going to change my life. If $100 million would change your life, I would be willing to say that you probably already had $50 million. Okay? I would be willing to say that. So if you think you need $100 million, I think you need to bop yourself on the head and spin around a couple times until you come to your senses. Now, knowing that, decide what you want to do. Do you want to pay off debt? Do you want to buy a home? Do you want to travel? Do you want to generate income? Do you need to replace your income? Do you want to continue working, doing something you enjoy, and also investing? Or do you want to make investing your full-time career? Like, all of these questions need answered, and then you can decide, well, I need X amount of money in order to accomplish my goals and my dreams. Now, listen, you got to be honest with yourself, okay? If you've got one share of AMC and you think you need $1 million, that's going to be difficult. So you got to kind of bring it back down to what is life-changing money for you. Now, you know the short squeeze is going to be on when it absolutely rips, okay? We're not going to be able to see these shorts cover unless the volume is just... I want low volume, right? And I want low volume during the short squeeze, but I know that is highly unlikely. It's going to be a very similar situation, in my opinion, to what we saw back in June. The stock price is going to be ripping higher. There's going to be FOMO buyers jumping on, and so on. Then you just have to determine, based on the volume, what could be happening. Could the shorts be covering? Yeah, absolutely. They could be covering. Is it time for you to get out? Well, are you near your life-changing money or not? It's all going to come down to what could be happening and what you should be doing. I need to replace my income, and beach house would be nice. Jennifer, that would absolutely be nice. And if you can do it, listen, replacing your income is one thing. But remember, if you don't have to drive to work every day, that's less wear and tear on your car. That's less gas that you have to spend. It's less risk that you put out there. It's an extra 8 hours a day, 9 hours a day, 10 hours a day, depending on your commute and what you do for a job. All of these things add up to a monetary value. So you don't need to replace your full income. You can simply, it doesn't need to be the full income, but you're going to be doing very well indeed post squeeze. And absolutely, beach house. I mean, I want a beach house too. Come on. I need $1 million. After that, I want 4% in dividends, and I'm set. Lewis, I like it. Very conservative. Yard sale this weekend. All profits to AMC Stock. Carl, very nice. Joe Go Mofo, thank you very much for the super sticker. Joe Go Mofo says, hey you. Hey you. Hey you. Jogo Mofo, thank you very much for the super sticker. I appreciate that very much, guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. You guys are absolutely amazing. Would you rather peanut diaper, or peel over my face? I have no idea what you're talking about, Lipton. No idea. I'm going to buy Bitcoin. Nice, Petey Pete. Petey Pete's buying Bitcoin after Preach Clay. Absolutely, DD214. I will never stop when the hedge funds pay up. Yes, if we make money, we invest it to make more money. That is the game plan, guys. Never stop making the money. Didn't get a single message read from you today, Clay, in any of the streams. Here we go again. Where exactly is resistance? Crypto Rocketeer, what are you talking about, man? I didn't even see one of your messages today. Was Crypto Rocketeer sending a bunch of messages? This is the first one I saw, Crypto. I'm very sorry if I missed all your other ones. I don't know why that would have happened. But, yeah, we got resistance at $48 per share. Dylan, thank you very much for the super sticker. I appreciate it once again. Dylan says, hey, you. Hey, you. Hey, Dylan. What's going on, guys? Thank you very much for the support. I appreciate that, Dylan. And the super stickers are awfully fun, aren't they? The resistance is around 48. It's somewhere around 48. It sure is. Hi, Clairo. Do you think GameStop will squeeze before AMC? I think if one squeezes, we're going to see action in both of them. I'm just being honest, Neil. I think they move almost in lockstep. And if one rips, I think both of them are going to rip. Carl Brewer, welcome to the Brohood. 721, thank you for subscribing. Absolutely, thank you for subscribing. 721. Jay Styles, thank you very much for the super sticker. Jay Styles says, get a little nervous down there. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Jay Styles. Thank you very much, Jay Styles. Thank you very much, Jay Styles. I appreciate that. And yes, guys, all of the super stickers. Thank you very much, Jay Styles, for the super sticker. Absolutely, guys. You guys are awesome, man. We have 569 people and no salt. Oh, no, DD214. Do you think the squeeze will squeeze this month, Clebro? Take over MXBC. The only way we squeeze this month, August? No, we're not squeezing in August. September? I don't know. We got to break through. If we break through 70, guys, if we break and start hitting all-time highs, we could squeeze if nobody sells the stock. So, yeah, it's definitely possible, but I don't know if we will. He's not asking what number to sell at. He wants to know at the last possible second when to sell because of the paper hands. Who wants to wait for 10,000 per share if everyone sells at 500 per share? Randy, exactly. So, if you believe in Ortex's estimated data, you can look at Ortex's estimated data to see when the shorts are covering. That's something that you can do. But, once the short squeeze is over, when there are no more shorts that need to be covered, or an extremely low amount of shorts that need to be covered, that's when the short squeeze is over. So if that's what you're looking for, that's when you're going to know when it's like, when there's no more potential for AMC, is when the shorts are done and covered. We got a show in the chat. No shills in the chat. Carl says, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump. Thank you, Carl, for the super sticker. Thank you very much, Carl, for the super sticker. I appreciate that. You guys are absolutely amazing. Oh, yes. Let's see. Right, exactly. You don't want to be the last one. Yeah, you definitely do not want to be the last one to sell your shares, guys. Don't do that. Let's see. Okay, we got to chill. Okay, guys, now don't be shilling on AMC. All right, need at least 10,000 per share. I hope we reach it. AMC is not dead. It's just your pockets. Oh, rip. People have calls into January. Yeah, people got calls into January, guys. People are on this for the long term. After I sell my XX position for 2.5 mil, I am buying PSEC for monthly dividends. I love it, Richie. Richie Wingo is on it with monthly dividends from PSEC. And, dude, you're taking your XX position out there and you're going to make a $2.5 million. So more power to you, man. I hope that you I hope everybody gets that. I'm going to be honest, man. I hope everybody in here becomes a millionaire. The world needs another 560 millionaires. Should be expecting shenanigans like we saw in January with Robinhood. Israel. I don't expect them, but expect the unexpected. So I can't tell you, man. I have no idea what they're going to do, but I highly doubt we see the same type of nonsensical button-stealing practices that we saw earlier this year. Why shilling when you could be chilling? Exactly. Why be a shill when you could just chill? Clever, the only DD missing is what did you get Natalie for her birthday? That is between me and Natalie. Alright, so that is between me and Natalie. Dylan! Oh man, Dylan says we need some how's it going action. Dylan, man, thank you very much. How's it going? How's it going? Hey, Dylan. This one's for you, man. How's it going? Hey, Dylan. How's it going? Thank you very much for the super sticker. I appreciate that, Dylan. And Jay Styles says, yes. 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 Thank you very much, Jay Styles, for the super sticker. I appreciate all of the super stickers. You guys are absolutely killing it this afternoon. Having so much fun right now. Thank you guys for all of the support, all of the super stickers. Amazing. Randy C, appreciate it. Appreciate you, Randy C. Must hold. Jagger says, get those diamonds out there because you must hold. Adam Aaron said the average per investor is 120 shares. At least 10,000 per share would be $1 million. Don't forget to set aside money for capital gains, guys. Do not forget to do it. Yes, that would be $1.2 million. That would be very nice. Digging the lava lamp. Good vibes. Appreciate that, Alfonso. I love this lava lamp. Ooh, that lava lamp is hot right now. Love your chat. Dylan, this chat is the best chat on the internet. I mean, I would even pit this chat against hot webcam boys and girls chat. I guarantee that our chat is better than their chat. So, webcam chat, if you're out there, we got a better one. Lauren says, you can't get away without showing me that peach. Lauren, I'm telling you, it is super, super fuzzy. But this one is for you. So you can't touch the peach. Only Lauren can touch the peach, all right? Nice and peachy for you today. Nice and peachy for you, Lauren. Thank you very much, Lauren, for the peach. Of course, I appreciate it. And, yeah. Hands off, everybody. The peach belongs to Lauren. Why, boys and girls? I don't know. What does the actual webcam say? Today's Claybro's birthday? No, Natalie. My birthday is not today. My birthday is on May 26th. Suckers. I touched the peach. Brett, you weren't supposed to touch the peach, man. Come on. New phone. It's not my birthday, man. Tomorrow, 50. Tariq, we bust through 48 tomorrow. I think we can get 50 tomorrow. Brett, how dare you? I know. How dare Brett touch the peach? That was just for Lauren. One Lambo. Soon Lambo graduated history. That's my sister's birthday. Jennifer, your sister's amazing. She got the best birthday in the entire world. May 26th. Very good. Yeah, he can read. He puts up with me. Joseph, I can read, and I do put up with you, man. I like you, Joseph. Continue to hang out with us, please. What could stop the squeeze from happening? Covering over a short amount of time, or people just selling. People selling could stop the squeeze from happening. Because the squeeze happens when we squeeze the demand. Petey Pete says, let's see it. La cucaracha, la cucaracha. Ya no puede caminar, ya no puede caminar. La cucaracha, la cucaracha. Ya no puede caminar. Thank you very much. La cucaracha, la piri piri, la piri piri. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you very much, Petey Pete, for the super chat. I appreciate that. That could be one of my favorites. I like that one a lot, Petey Pete. Thank you very much, man. Amazing with the maracas. You guys don't even know about my maraca game. Come on now. Real news. Huge sell orders at $48 to $49. Real news. Thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate it. We do have a lot of sell orders coming in that area, man, because it is a very strong level of resistance. So all of the day traders out there, all these guys that are swing trading AMC, they're trying to get out in the $48 to $49 range, because we've got resistance in there, and of course it's gonna add to the selling pressure. And all we got to do, man, we got to fill those sell orders and move right on up through them. If they stop putting those sell orders out there, it would be so much easier. Every loser I know is born in May. My dad, my mom, my sister, my brother, my nephew. May, people. Come on, Antics. The best people you know sound like they were born in May. Clebro Stone. Alfonso, never show us another peach. I can't, Broofly. I can't. Oh, thanks. Can you speak Spanish? No, I cannot speak Spanish. You know hablo español. Sorry. This dude is so pumped. Every day, dude. Every day. Why? Because I'm just thrilled with the potential that AMC has to make us all filthy rich. Clay knows no shame. Dude, I know shame, okay? But, I'm living my best life, man. I'm living my best life. I'm just having so much fun that you guys don't understand. I know you're having fun too, right? I know you are. Tomorrow is September 1st, the day people make new predictions for the squeeze. Yes, JB, exactly. And guys, remember, in what, like 11 days from now, we celebrate Lauren's birthday. So I would highly recommend, if you're going to send her something, that you send it now, because she lives in the United Kingdom. It's going to take a while to get there. Think about that. We need to celebrate Lauren's birthday on September 11th. I know you guys aren't going to forget that date. Capital gains tax is 35 to 40% unless it's long-term capital gains. New SEC regulations come into effect tomorrow. Yes, they do, increasing the margin requirements. Hey, clowns, not at all. Clay is a lock for best sport at the annual Streamies Awards. Dude, annual Streamies Awards, man. If that's a thing, I'm going for it. I'm going for it. I'm shoo-in, man. Clay Bro, quick question. Is it... I don't even know. What are those things, man? Are those like fake sugars? Are those like stevia? Is that what you're talking about? Those like fake sugars, Alfonso? I don't even know. Let's say 48. Let's break through the $48 wall. Now, let's not just hit it. 1.5 million after taxes. My nodes will send fast. I can wait. Well, there you go, Sam. Happy birthday to you, Lauren. Apparently, you're going to be getting some nodes. Finally, I'm sat chilling. I'm sat chilling too. Is that a thing? I'm sat chilling. You don't pay any capital gains tax if it's under 40,000. Dude, like your total income, man. I don't know about not paying any capital gains taxes ever. What's up? Hey, fake sugar. Yeah, dude, it's like stevia or whatever. Was he talking about some fake sugar there? Lauren has the same birthday as my baby nephew. Lauren's birthday, we will all remember it. What's up? Miller, how you doing, N. Miller Realty? If I create an effigy of Adam Aaron and pray to it each day, does that make AMC a religion and therefore tax-free? No, I don't think so. I'm pretty sure that's not how it works. Thank you, Nufo, for the early birthday. And yes, we will be singing to Lauren. It will be just a birthday singing stream to Lauren on her birthday. Every time you sell AMC, limiting the potential. Yes, you are. Stop selling your AMC. Clay, my neighbor is trying to buy AMC stock after hours because of the fact that he is only being allowed to buy fractional shares. How do your brokerages know our height? Scary. It is. It is scary, man. The brokerages know a lot about you. You type your social security number in to get approved for your brokerage account, and then they know exactly who you are. I'm with the heat burning my face. We need strains, bro. Weed strains, bro. Like dandelion? Reality check. Like, you talking like dandelion and so on, or you talking like the stuff that people smoke? Index funds after the mother of all short squeezes until the market resettles. Hey, Jose, man, I'm on with conservative investments, dude. If you got a lot of money post squeeze and you don't want to risk all of that money, index funds, ETFs, so on, high-paying dividend blue chips, I'm on with it. Happy birthday. Natalie's already on the happy birthdays to Lauren. Lava lamp burning. We got this lava lamp burning right now. It is hot, actually. Dandelions are no good. Crabgrass all the way. Brett knows his weeds and he likes it. Good deal, Brett. Guys, you know what time it is? I can't believe it's already 5 o'clock. Man, happy birthday, Claybro. Go party. J-Man, it's not my birthday today. It's not my birthday. My birthday is in May. $1 away from break it even. Need 48. Let's go, Ryan. Cannabis ETFs. Hey, man, cannabis ETFs all the way. If that's what you want to invest in, what's a good ETF? Oh, my God, there's so many ETFs out there, dude. It just depends on what you want to invest in, actually. If US has my information through Moomoo, I would be concerned. Dude, you actually use Moomoo? Does anybody use Moomoo? Because Moomoo has contacted me several times to pump their link, and I don't know anything about that brokerage. I will go in on any stock Clay mentions post-squeeze. Oh my God, Sam, you make me so nervous, dude. You make me so nervous. I can't talk about any stocks post-squeeze because all you guys are going to go out there and just drop $1 million on it. It's not my birthday. Leon, it's not my birthday, man. Your opinion, how long till the squeeze? I have no idea, Max. I have no idea how long till people get it together and finally hold their stock. The only weed I like is chronic, whatever that means, antics. I don't know anything about that stuff. So if it's good, it's good. Indica and Savage Sativa are two major strains. Like, they're popular? I don't know. Guys, I don't know anything about that. Most I know is what I've learned from Narcos. That's it. Narcos Mexico and, like, original Narcos. I know everyone and their mom that's new to the AMC hype train on YouTube is sponsored by Moomoo. Is that true? I've never even seen. Moomoo doesn't do people payment for order flow. Dude, they gotta make money somehow. But all I know is they've contacted me a couple times. But they've only got, like, I think they said like 14 million users across the entire globe. Happy birthday, Clay Bro. AMC Trapper, it's not my birthday. You know this. Oh, yeah, joke. Good joke, man. Good joke. Get me all riled up and have to tell people it's not my birthday again and again. I'm just messing with you, dude. Oh, I had no idea it was your birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, Riptide Redemption. It's not my birthday. If you're going to smoke, smoke meat. There you go, Leon. Hit that like button. Thank you very much, Lauren. I appreciate it. What platform is good for crypto? Hey, I don't know. It depends if you want crypto in, like, if you just want to trade crypto or if you want crypto, like, in a wallet and to hold. So it's completely up to you. I know Binance has been around for quite some time. I use Binance. Webull. I use Webull for some stuff on crypto too if I'm just going to trade it and I don't actually want to hold it. But there's several different platforms. And if you just want to, you probably don't mine it though, right? I've mined a lot of crypto too. Do you like Hooters or Subway? Yes, Lipton. I like Hooters and Subway. Welcome, Carl. Welcome, Carl. Has the lava lamp. I don't know anything about. It's true though, man. I got this lava lamp when I was 12. Gemini can be good for crypto as well, yes. Nobody heard of Moomoo because you guys pay Clay to eat bananas instead of trading. JITNYC, you just want to see me eat another banana, don't you? You're just kind of tempting everybody to throw a banana out there, and you're like, well, I want to see Clay eat a banana. It's alright, dude. It'll be alright, Jit. I've never been to Hooters. Well, let's go, Sam. Why not? They got good wings. Why does finance news always say breaking news and start reading off Reddit? I don't know, man, but he ranks for a ton of AMC videos. So whatever he's doing it right. True story. I knew it, Jen. I see you down there. I don't know, man. He does something right, though, because he ranks for a ton of videos. Did everyone that Clibro keychain? Newfo, keep trying, man. And guys, we are here 6 minutes late. We're gonna get off right now, and no, Lipton, not gonna happen. So we're gonna get off right now, guys, and we're gonna get the video out by 8 p.m. tonight Eastern time. So give me a little while to get that video together, and so on. If you guys want to shout out, get your name in the chat right now. Thank you to everybody for hanging out with us, and thank you for all of the super chats, all the support today, and everybody that said hello earlier. Do not be afraid to type in the chat, and just join in whenever you feel comfortable. You know, we're here together, and as we leave, Brett said, "Oh my God." All right, we get a banana and a unicorn. Compliments of Brett and Lawrence. So we'll get these out of the way before we leave. But Jit, man, this one's Brett says, I got you, Jit. I got you. This is, you know, for complaining about the banana. We got to peel the banana. And then, Jit, man, this one's just for you. It's called the lick and stick technique. It's compliments of Natalie, okay? Well, actually, this one's for you, okay? Typically the banana's like, but this one, Jit, it's the lick and stick, okay? Tilt your head back a little bit. It helps it go down. And then. Thank you very much, Brett, for the super chat. I appreciate that. And good deal there, man. Jit. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Lauren says we can't leave without seeing the unicorn at least one time. At least one time. We need to get the unicorn going So, Lauren, this one's for you. All right, Lauren. With the gallop. Thank you very much, Lauren. I appreciate it. And the best meme ever is that meme that Sam made. If you did not see it on Twitter, you need to follow me, Clearbro883 on Twitter, and then follow Sam on Twitter because he tagged me in a meme with Lauren and me, the little rainbow unicorn the other day. Oh my gosh! Petey Pete says it's time to get ripped with the weights. We need just gosh, the pump is real. Oh, the pump is real. Oh, the pump is real. Thank you very much, Petey Pete, for the weights, dude. Stay strong, everybody. Stay strong. AMC Trapper, I don't know what you're crying about, man. It's all right. All the unicorns are good unicorns. Nice gallop. Thank you very much, Lauren. I'm glad you approved. That was definitely all for you. I love the fact that you started the gallop, too. Somebody throws a unicorn, and I do my hair in like a little unicorn spike, right? I think that's good enough. And then Lauren, just like a straight boss. Gallop. Just tell me what to do. All right, Lauren, I will absolutely gallop for you. Clay is literally pumping it after hours, Brett. After hours, pre-market, during the market. It's not just after hours, dude. It's not just, come on now. Later, fam, and welcome to the new green names. Yes, welcome all the new green names. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Let's get these shout-outs in the chat right now. We're going to take a break for a little while. We'll get the video out tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. If you guys want to watch it, then click the like button. Make sure you do so. All the good stuff. Click all the links in the description below. Make sure to click the like button if you haven't already. We should have at least 400 likes in the chat. We were doing very well on viewers today. So make sure to click the like button on the way out. And yeah, let's get some shout-outs going. Mike Johnson, man, it's a blast in here every day, isn't it? Crypto Rockets here. Darn, look at the after hours volume already. It is crazy, Crypto. Luke, shout out to you. Natalie Hess, have a good evening, Natalie. Lauren, I hope that you have a good night. And I know it's late there already. Hopefully you're enjoying your day. And you take it easy tonight. Brett, Leon, Johnsontown, DD214, Lipton's, Vignan, Abish Connection, Subaramanium, Brett again, Mr. DK's Demons, JB, Specific, S-Pacific, Notion, AMC, let's go. Reality Check, Mike, Nufo, shout out to you, Mike, absolutely, man. Bastille, Johnstontown, thank you. Petey Pete, have a good evening. AMC Trapper, enjoy your evening, man. Natalie Hess, have a fantastic night. We're doing great. We are, Natalie. We're doing excellent. Have a great night while you sleep. Yes, Lauren, have a great night while you sleep. Don't go to any of those raves, please. Just have a great night while you sleep. OT, shout out to you, my man. Marquise Coleman, shout out to you. Have a good night. Omar, David, take care. Sean, take care. Mike, RVR, BTM, number 2, shout it out. Absolutely. Paul, have a good evening. And last one, Luke, stay on for the 48 cross. I can't do because I did that one time and we were on here all evening and it never crossed. So, all right, guys. JB, enjoy your night, man. Listen, guys, if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.